Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Yeah. Big up on yourself, people. We is our day here. Nikki in the building. How are you going? Big up Poofy, big up larger Poofy, larger. Big up on yourself and thing. Again, and people. A beetroot, I do it again today, Yeah. Sonia there. Cookie Man stress. Peaches and cream. What are you remember? Yo, Lorabella. Masuna. Christina Brown Sugar, give up the thing. Niece V bright smile and the whole works. Raga, is that the powder? Powder? What powder? Ellie in the building. Oh, the ones and two with the beach. Milo, I beg you allow me, Oh, I beg you allow me. Antasha, the drive-by shooter. Yeah, I can't stand the sleep on Antasha. See, Antasha have a little innocent face like she can't mash hands. A proper gangster, Slush Raga, why am I not seeing to repost? Slush, me no know. Why you not seeing to repost? Me no know them administrative stuff there right now, Slush. Me don't even know them something them, I gotta be honest with you. I just short time in right now, Beetroot, Raga, you gotta mash your works later. No, nothing I run later, When the show done later, I'm going to do some work and then I'm going to my bed, right? I don't have the good fortunes like you guys to go get some later, right? I'm going to say enough on the start. When the show them done on the start out after I show them, Yeah, I know that. TikTok said, some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community's experience. I don't know if I want to put in there, but that is TikTok's way of saying, and black some I want to comment, man, I want to put in there. Yeah. Lanoy said, oh, and while the show is going on too. Well, don't we know that from other days, don't? Trying candy, while go down, everything is everything. All right. Get you right, Location roll call, long time we not do one of them there, True, we have like 400 people. Yeah? Raga, your shirt, them clean and iron, good color. I them I have to wear, them know I'm wearing a white shirt. If I wear my good shirt, them and whatever, cause them same time I wear white or anything with white on it, them can't read the comments, them and things, so. Now, if you go in my wardrobe and I wear my good shirt, then we see Georgia, we see Florida, we see Montreal, East London, down there, so, New Jersey to Wisconsin. Seattle in the place, Kingston, Buckner in Clarendon, Oregon, Maryland, Spain, Andrew Lyman, Bronx, Texas, LA, Suffolk County, that's Long Island, Connecticut, Falmouth, Miramar Drive in St. Thomas. I thought it was going to be Florida. Big up Fifi who just subscribe and thing. North Lauderdale, I'm a place that, London, Brooklyn, Queens, Lorraine, a place in Ohio named Lorraine, Virginia, Alexandria, Daniel, I tell Chumpy good evening, interesting. DJ Roshan said Texas, Orange County, New York, Atlanta, ETL in the place, BBW, Trini, Trini Nurse say Hartford, and I say, the Trini woman, I run off a place over there. Savage is in T. Del Marine in one place near Hercules. That's just weird name for a place, Hercules. Anyway, Alexandra Portobello Heights in Montego Bay. That's unique. Queen Nash said Boston. Lawrenceville, Georgia. We have St. James, Clifton. Chumpy said, Akali, you live. Chumpy obviously know Hercules. Chumpy drive out them place there, you know. Big Six in Baltimore. We have West London. We have Hackensack in New Jersey. I know this. So. Delaware, Ochi, Forest Park. Kimberly said, Queen Nash, why you lie? I lie, she tell Kimberly, Queen Nash, I lie, I don't, and a Boston should have see it there. Queen Nash, you get called out. Baltimore, Washington, D.C., West Palm Beach, Brooklyn, New York. Somebody said Uda to call about Georgia woman named suspect. Andrew Perry said that, a Georgia woman named suspect. Palm Bay, Florida. Janice, you're reading too slow, Raga. I want you going and allow me, you know. Go man, but me I read slow. Me read how I want to read. Your favorite fart. Hampton, Panama, Tottenham. Melbourne, Cayman Island, Manipulation, Long Island, Hamden, Cleveland, Ohio, yeah. All right, big up on yourself in the Ben Johnson today, you know, people large up on yourself, everything is everything. We is our day here. I don't know the levels, everything is everything there. Chumpy, Kimberly Great, did we get 500,000 last night? Spiritually blessing the place. Yeah, all right, nice. As is customary, we have a diversity of locations from which people are watching the show today. I want to say good afternoon to you folks. Good afternoon on this post Jamaican Independence Day celebration. Big up on yourself. Everything is everything. Sipping some beetroot juice and thing. All right, Chadisha. Large up and thing. So one on a fast, you want to wine a man glass, though. All right, people, we're not itch up with the thing right you know, we're going to just keep it jiggy and going, and we want some mix up to the scene. We want some mix up and boba. Kimberly said, Raga, make me thirsty, you know, let me pull out my juicer. Yeah, pull out your juicer. What? You have juicer. The two best juicer them on the market is either the Nama or the Cuvings, you know. Nama, they're the top of the line Nama and the top of the line Cuvings. Them are the two best juice upon the market. Me don't want nobody argue with my about it. Just listen what Raga tell you here. Because man a juice around here. We are gangster juice around here. The two best juicers on the market right now is either the Nama or the Cuvings. Kuvings or Nama. It's Nama. And yeah, they're a little pricey, but they're pretty good. When you talk about, you know, extracting the juice and I left well, all of them left the little thing kind of moist and sitting, but those are pretty good. Peaches and cream, so she have the omega and thing. Andrew Perry, you just subscribe. Big up yourself. I know that pretty girl. Okay. All right. Big up to them two subscribers. Two subscribers. That would be the plural. Who just forward and thing. You see it. All right. Big up on yourself, you know. Yeah. And build a subscription over here and sitting right. And who can subscribe? Subscribe. Who can subscribe? Subscribe. All right, people, right away, you know, we want some mix-up run up in the place right now. We want some mix-up run up in the place right now, right? Long-distance relationship mix-up or any other mix-up one. Long-distance relationship mix-up or any other mix-up one. Long-distance relationship mix-up or any other mix-up one. Right? So just send up on a request them in the box and thing and, you know, and could drum. What? Yeah, well, I don't know go with Kimberly, you know. She have dropsy, you know. She says sleep, you know. And I shock how she hold it one night. I bet you she never hold it last night throughout the subscriber live last night. Particularly with the last mix-up that what did I play in the subscriber live last night, which that mix-up was crazy, right? For those of you who were in the subscriber live last night, the last mix-up when me don't even play out the whole of it because me I forgot play. Me I play the full thing tomorrow in the subscriber live only. Whoa, Raga. First stick, follow me as soon as you fall. They say, whoa, Raga, happy I found you live, found your live. Follow me. All who not follow me yet, follow me right now. All who not follow me yet, follow me right now. Trumpy said, no, me not give the update to it yet, to that mix-up there until you hear the full thing tomorrow. Right? Lana, I said, that the girl they no normal. After on the ear, Nikki says, I can't wait to hear the rest tomorrow. After on the ear, the rest I it, see? Me we go on the update, God. And the update is interesting and thing and whatever. But I have to tell you, it's one of the me this sound calm and thing, but it was one of the strangest things I've ever, you know. You know, it's one of the strangest things in terms of everything, you know. And if you can't think in a fluid way, that's something that will drive you crazy when you know to understand what I go on with Shah say, you know. Did the man finally left the girlfriend for her? Sparkle, me know what you talk about, you know, we talk about the last mix-up. Me mama, how that? I will send that dinosaur there. Who send that dinosaur there? Big up yourself. I would have God is send. God is big up yourself, you know. All right, big up yourself. That dinosaur there going. Worse like one of my favorite little series I love to watch. I might bring back a next movie. Them can make up movie on them thing there, you know, Jurassic Park. I forward with something. Yo, Sparkle, I know I want different mix-up you are talking about, you know. The mix-up we are talking about are the last mix-up we did play last night, you know, the subscriber only live, sub-live, where, you know, when we don't even get to play the rest of it, but I'm going to play everything tomorrow. All right? I'm going to play everything tomorrow. Who beg now get una beg now want big up my beetroot juice. People, beetroot stain. Beetroot stain. I don't think it's stain. I don't think it's stain. Oh, yeah, it's stain though.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, Wagwan.
So the mix-up that I'm talking about, I don't know if I fell asleep. I'm talking about the mix-up with the girl that had the boyfriend, or the boyfriend had another woman. She was pregnant for him. She lost the baby, and they were having an affair in the house. And while the girlfriend was pregnant, the girlfriend was upstairs, and she was in the living room having intercourse.
But well, and they drop asleep after that?
He looks so
That was the first big mix. That was the first mix up in the sub live
And
last
that's
night.
the mix-up I'm talking about.
That one was crazy too. No man, that was the first mix up in the sub live last night. What it more come after that?
Oh my God, I was sleeping.
No, you get
So,
knocked out, man.
so fill me in. What really happened? Did the woman finally left? Did the man finally left the girlfriend for her?
No. But remember, she said she not stop grinding him, you know.
Right.
So she
Yeah.
not stop F him, you know. Yeah, she said she not. But again, she not. You if a man say him you and him there, and him carry you in him house, I sort you out. And him have a girl when breed, and never did make you know say the girl when breed. It all in the house at the same time upstairs while him a shell you out. You da stay with a man there?
Hell no. I mean, there is no respect. There is no mutual respect for neither the pregnant girlfriend nor her.
But you did stay up enough for you when she said, "Oh, I'm a nah stop F him."
Exactly. But did she finally get pregnant again because she had lost a baby for him?
You know, so them a say me enough to discuss the sub live thing because we did have a rule. So, but when tomorrow, cause we're gonna play back. Well, we're not gonna play back that one day, but we're gonna play back one big dirty mix up with it in it tomorrow. So,
But I want to make a point here.
Yeah.
So you were asking the question, I think, why some women are like that, and I'm saying my thinking is some women they are like never interested, man or woman.
Yeah.
They're never interested in an individual until they see someone else is interested in that person. And why is that so?
well, you have that. No, we can't talk about this point with Sherry because this is a broader point. It's not specific to the sub life. There's several reasons for that, according to scholars, you know. And then you have the industry explanations too and whatever. There is this thing where some people argue, say, in general, people they're not attracted to somebody who other people not like or other people not attracted to, you know. So the idea is that, you know, whatever is appealing about somebody, other people will see it too. And if that person chose you, it means then that, you know, your value is held high by that person. But put it another way, if nobody now wants somebody and then pick you, then, you know, then nothing, there's nothing about you. You know, means that there's something wrong with it. It just means that nothing going on here because, you know, you're picked by somebody who nobody now wants anyway. So, you know, the implication is that your value is lower.
Yeah, but this is another piece to it, right?
Yeah.
You have some women when, even when they get the person, what they do is like, if that person left you, I'm leaving you too.
That, I'm telling you, I've seen that happen so many times that I'm just like,
it's a control issue.
It's a control issue? No. That has to, and people, what she's referring to is a phenomenon that I've seen so many times. Somebody will be on the side with somebody, right?
Right.
And the person have them man or them woman, and them dip on the side. And right through the whole time when them dip on the side, there's all kind of little drama and thing like, you know, I think you say you got left the person and and you know, you love her more than me, and you love him more than me, and oh, me get this and she get that and whatever, and me need some more time with you. And there's this constant thing going on about, you know, the person being on the side and wanting to be elevating. And then the minute that person say, all right, me left my wife or me left my husband for you, the person who's on the side, they're like, no, I don't want you again.
No, right. Yeah, I can understand that.
You can understand it or you can't?
No, I cannot.
Yeah, I have to tell you that somebody posted and said the chase is over. You think it's about the chase? Yeah.
Probably it's the chase, the chase, the
Yeah,
adrenaline rush of
yeah,
I want you, and let me see who can. And you know what happened? This even make reference to the same lady that you were talking to the other day. And she said that the relationship in Jamaica, the relationship here with the
yes,
married man, and the
yes.
other relationship. So, like, she's
No,
not interested
because
and take someone else is interested.
in her case, the man was wanted less when the man wanted to settle down with her, and then after she break up with the man and the man move on and got married,
She wants the man.
at that time she want the man and I start out with the man, and then the one of the way you can explain that, and it's tied into what the caller said about the chase, and this is important. There's some people, they're really not interested in the person. They just want validation from getting the person to leave the other person.
Right, so it's a control issue.
Well, controlling dynamics emerge, but the issue more has to do with self-absorption and some degree of something really
And
some
validation,
some
and this is
yeah
what
yeah
I
yeah
can do.
yeah. If I can get you to leave that person for me, that is the objective, not a relationship with you.
Right, right.
That is the objective. The objective is to, of course, I can't get you. I'm not stop till I get you, and then I get you.
Right.
Eh, what's the
The
what?
object, what's the next? What is next?
Right, there is nothing
There
else
is no
for
other
them. There's
objective.
nothing else.
I have
Right.
achieved the goal.
Right. As opposed to somebody who would say, like, we were made for each other, and we gel so well together, and I'll do the world for you and you'll do the world for me. And if we're together, boom. And then when they get together, look on I always use Alicia Keys and Swiss.
Right.
Them didn't have something like that. And when they got together, it was just, this is what we wanted, and they stayed together. And I don't know them business and whatever, but when you keep back and you kind of pre some people, and you have the one who pretend and the one who perform for the camera and whatever. And my feel of them is like, they really wanted to be together, and they got together, and look at them, they're happy together, type of thing, as opposed to the other ones, them out there who, it's a chase, them want the adrenaline rush of getting you for come over, and then after that it's like, no, we need another rush, right?
Yeah, but then after a time, like I think, like after you reach certain age, I think you're supposed to fulfill that desire, that dream, that drive, and then you want to move on to something else, because I'm thinking that in your younger years you haven't achieved some form of developmental issue, and that's the reason why you do the things them that you do in your later years.
Well, you're right in that as people get older, they do transition into different states in terms of what makes them happy. And then, like, even the word happy is not that it's because for them it's more like peace and contentment, and I just want good company, and and if you have some money and some good dick or good chun chun, or we can travel and all this stuff, that's fine too, and if you're a good person to have conversations with, that's all good too. But it does change as people get older, but you do have that set out there who you ever know somebody from college or high school, and you meet them and them behave the same, and you're like, Jesus, them don't even move from where them did there.
And that's what I just explained.
Yeah. So you do have people who stay that way right through their lives.
Right.
Unfortunately,
Yes,
they
because
do.
something they haven't achieved. Something.
No, they're just underdeveloped or addicted to whatever affirmation they got at that age, and them no one let it go.
Well, yes, underdeveloped in a stage that they were.
Right. They're not growing.
Yes.
They're not growing. They're not
So,
growing.
yes, I've known those people. I see those
Yeah.
people. I work with some of them. I treat some of them. Yeah.
Yes. But just think about it though. If you involved with some, you have people who they live by what I refer to as destination happiness. Right? In their mind, I know this lady, right? She would live someplace and she'd be like, this is the greatest place. And she would call everybody and tell everybody, oh, this is great, this is great, this is great, this is great, this is great. But she's alone, you know.
Right.
And, no, but she's really unhappy and
Right.
she's alone and there's some other dynamics there where she just don't get along with anybody.
Okay,
So,
so she's a loner.
right, she's not really a loner. And I know this won't make sense. You have people who want people around them, but then when people come around them can't stand them.
Yeah.
And they have all this misery with them getting it, but them always blame people too, you know, and I know say something to do with them. So she, you know, so she would move and go somewhere, right? And when she's there, she just praise the place. This is perfect with her. Then after a while, she need to move, go someplace else. Because she not like that place anymore and this and she find all it. Then she move, go to other place. And when she move, go to other place, this is the greatest place and whatever. And thing. Then after a while, that place there is awful and she need to move, go somewhere else. So, you know, so I was telling, you know, me have to be careful. I was telling her relative who was always facilitating her moves and to say, listen, this is about destination happiness for her. That is what gives her meaning in her life. Just the ability to move to someplace else. It's about the move to someplace else. It's never really the place.
Right. But does she understand and does she recognizes that?
No, she doesn't. No, and therein lies the problem with those people now in a relationship sense. When they're going through it, they, you know, like the person on the side and thing, they really believe that this is what I want, this is what I need, and this is what will make us happy, and this is what. And then come up with all these things for say, why, them will ball too. And be like, look how good I am to you, and this and that, and and this and blah, 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 blah. And but then once the person go, you know what's funny? Even when the person go left the other person and come to them, you know, for some of them, you know, they resent that person now, you know.
Yes.
It's weird. Like, yo, you know, it's like, you're not attractive anymore. Don't. And then, you know, some people say, no, but I'm weak, you know. So your strength is, and your attraction is that person wanting you and can't get you, and they will stay in that state forever. And say, and a person them love, you know, and this and that and whatever. And if they get the person, that's it. And so then the challenge then is for you to be able to know that those people exist, one. Two, develop the capacity to make a distinction between those people and the ones who really want you and want a relationship with you. And that can be difficult because those are the ones that can be very convincing because they don't even know they're like that. So most of them don't even know so I saw them still.
Right. But then again, if you continue to attract that kind of behavior, then you have to reevaluate yourself and ask yourself, why am I attracting this kind of person or this kind of behavior?
Yeah, to some degree, but you have to understand too that you have those people who can be attracted to you, not because of something that you are doing, but just how you stay. Right? So you attract them, you know. They're people who do bad things to people. Right. They know who them can do bad things to.
Right.
And they'll say, no, man, I go, he's a madman. No, sir, no, with she or whatever. They know. Right. So they'll go after the nice people because them know, say, yeah, me get over upon the nice people, them, right? Right. So you are attracting them because you're nice. It's like lions eat deer. They don't eat alligators, you know?
Right. Because it's what they project onto you.
No, what I'm saying, lions eat deer and zebra. Them don't eat alligator. Them don't eat, whatever. So you have to know, say, if you're a deer, lions going to come for you. And like you attract them. Them are going to say you're nice.
Yes.
So mean people look for nice people. As you know, fitness know, say, if you're going to continue being nice, just know, say, mean people are going to come after you because you're nice. Because them are going to sense it. You have some weakness. Them can get something out of you as opposed to going after somebody else. And it's not like, say, oh, you're doing something wrong while you're attracting them. No. Then you'd be doing something wrong if every time the lion them come for you, you make them nyam you up and cha-cha you up and you complain. Then, yeah. And that point, you need to really think about what you're doing there, you know?
All right. So, you know what? Nice talking to you. Let me tomorrow. I'll be listening.
All right then, yes man. For a sub live tomorrow and full show tomorrow. So we have a bunch of things for like go over. And I love, and we can have this discussion. We need to have the discussion in at the sub live. You're right. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Have the discussion because I was like typing and be like, oh my God, this is gonna take too long. Let me just call and try to explain myself or ask the question what I want to ask.
That's all right. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. But we'll talk about it tomorrow in the sub live, all right?
Okay, how do I get off this thing now?
I will take you off, darling. No problem, okay? Good. People, you do have, you have some people out there with some really toxic, dysfunctional traits, and they don't know they're like that. And some of them, they're not bad people either, they don't set out to be, you have toxic, manipulative, consciously predatory, manipulative people who enjoy being that way, but then you have others who, they're not bad. Like the caller was there who, she did there with the man and the man was married her and then she didn't want to marry him and she broke up with him and thing and then he move on and find female woman and find woman I'm married to and at that time she want him now. I tell her straight, I say I'm bullshit, right, right? But I don't, she's not like a bad, evil person. She's just kind of like living from her principles or mores that she think, that give her validation and give her, excitement and thing and whatever and give her a purpose in her life. But she's not a mean people now. I feel able to recognize them people and know so when them people come at you, they might come at you with seeming sincerity. They come at you with, because I'm sure so when she deal with the man, they know, when them attack, whatever, she probably in love and give him the right talk and all them something there. But remember, the same person who said about a man, she have a man at Jamaica too, who in a relationship too, right? Now, I'm going to say something cool now, right? But you see all him now, who there with him wife and whatever. She probably, if she listen, I know why you feel that way, we just keep it 100. I'll me now in a film position or whatever this and that, and I see what she do. Me not going in a relationship with she, It has stay right there. So if she want to stay, she stay. If she want to leave, she leave. Because the minute him leave him woman, they might go back to square one, The same thing when she find unattractive to him, when she win him over now and she have him thing and thing like that and whatever, he might become unattractive again. Right? So now him have to make a distinction now for say what really motivates she, What really get her going, And like the person who posts her, let's say, yeah, you have some people, it's about that chase there, And them are serial chasers, And some people go right through them life like that. They have different permit. You have serial chasers, who always want a one person. Hey, you have people, who always want somebody who there with somebody. but them have one person who them want to stay right there, so. Because while them out there, so I do this thing, them want able to come back to that one person there all the time, and that one person must stay right there, so. And them will do what them for do for convince that one person, so you for stay, but them out there serial chase. So, you know, the point I make, you have to develop, you have to, one, if you don't know so them people are out there so and can identify them, then if you don't know, you can't even look for it. So one, you know, you have to know some people out there like that. Then once you know people out there like that now, you have to exercise your due diligence to determine if you are interacting with somebody like that, if you're engaged with somebody like that. And then know how to manage and govern your thing. Because at the end of the day, you're responsible for you. And if it means you have to man up or woman up or gangster up or whatever, and know what is what. So if you say, yeah man, she nice and she care for me and whatever and thing like that, but me I go have fun. She know where she I get out of it from me know me I get out it from whatever, but Hello.
Good evening,
Hello.
Raga.
Good evening, what go on?
Madaya. Wagwan.
You
It's
know,
a long relationship.
long distance relationship mix up or any other mix up wanna have, yeah. Talk to me.
Right. Raga, you lost some one man in England.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him deal with me good, you know.
Right,
Him deal with me good. I don't know mix up. Him deal with me good. But him used to come over here like 2 times a year.
Mm-hmm.
But through the corona, it slowed down little now, you know. But me and him have a good relationship.
But what the mix up? What the mix up?
No mix up night. Because I tell you say.
Then we just
Raga, you love mix up though.
then that we do on the show. What you say sometime what?
Yeah, reason.
Okay, yeah, sometimes we reason upon the show, but
Yeah, like for me, yeah, so the woman they love certain things. Yeah, some people are draining energy still in Araga. You're there with them,
yeah.
and then you come in, I just see them like a spirit crash.
Yeah.
The care that work and come back. You're happy out the road, you know, but the moment you see them, your spirit just get cross.
Right. And
All right. Me have this guy at work, right?
yeah.
Me and him work together. Used to work together.
Yeah.
But every time I pass him, he always touch my
Do me a favor, that thing they were playing at the background, can turn it down or turn it off, please? Or I don't know if somebody I watch it or
I never know it affect you, sorry.
oh no, it's okay. It's a little low. Mm-hmm. Yeah, him always a spot up on your bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, I never like it.
Yeah.
I keep telling him, I don't like it, don't do it. He must start me.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm.
But him want call you this name, that name. I never like it. So it's coming like every time I see him just drain my energy. Can I come up with something for drain the energy?
Am I come up with something for draining energy because I'm doing what? Am I call you?
All right. Suppose I tell him something. All years pass, him still come up with the same thing. You know why he
No. You're being vague. You suppose you tell him something. It's like, and you know why you're doing. You know why you're doing that. You really never have nothing for talk. You know, you just call in and not check in. You know, so you just a switch a pivot to something now. You know.
You're right, you know.
No, so you just a pivot to something about this man or whatever, because when you talk about that's not the way draining energy usually is, you know. And so when somebody looks somebody's, they can be annoying, but
he's annoying, but he
right.
drain my energy in certain way, like him calling a name, and when you not answer, I come over and I tell, You may talk, answer to it, and you know. And it upset me, I'm not lie. It drained my energy for true, because at one time, I do certain thing, and I'm very spiteful. He's very a spiteful person. If I leave things in your way, if you know you have to go to part, if you do that work, so he pack up a heap of thing, if you have to move it. So I'm very spiteful. You understand what I say?
But you and him have to interact in the work round, though? Because
Yes.
what you're describing
Yes,
is...
interact.
Okay, because what you're describing is more than a passing thing. There is something continuous and sustained between you and him.
Well, one morning him get to me so till one morning I come up for go on with him, look her, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just because all the while me used to get ignorant and irritable when him a touch me and all them something there. One morning was coming up for do it. I mean, I come over for do. I'm just turn on in our voice. I'm say, listen, anything you have to say to me, don't bother say it. So you don't have to talk to me. I know, so far nothing not talk to me. And all right with
Okay.
that.
So he's no longer draining your energy.
That drain energy.
Okay.
Right.
So you and him good then? No.
No, me not talk to him.
No, what I mean
And him
is
not talk to him.
he's no longer draining your energy
Yeah, we
then.
still work, but
Okay.
it's all right, you know. I mean, the lady that asked if you get Elaine number.
Oh, okay. All right.
Did you get it?
Me not get it yet.
Don't get it yet. Or she said she don't want to give it. But you can give her mine, you know.
No, me not ask her yet. You mean give her your number?
Yes.
Did you send your number to me?
No, I can send it to you. But I don't know what to do with it. I call my nephew.
All right. You can DM me your number and I'll send it over to her. She'll call you, man. She's cool like that.
Oh, you do that?
You just send a message to me here on TikTok.
Bush!
Listen, right under my picture, everybody picture, there is a little thing that says message, and you just send a message, okay?
Right under your picture.
Yeah, on TikTok. Under everybody's picture. Yeah.
So your picture up on the top here, sir. Bush, I saw you send a message. Yes, sir, you send a message, Bush? Right there, sir? All right, me I just send the number and see if him get it.
All right, you just send it to me, and then I'll send it over to her, okay?
All right.
Yeah, man, cool.
No, but more you step on the line to see if me send it, you get it.
No, I don't have to stay on the line for that. From you send it, I'll get it.
All right.
All right. I mean,
All right,
look out for it after the show, yeah?
All right, may I put my name and you will see the name come up.
All right.
We're up on the line, all right?
All right, yeah, man. Cool.
Cool.
Okay.
9, 6.
Yeah, long distance relationship mix up or any other mix up. Long distance relationship mix up or any other mix up. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, where you going?
What's up?
There, man, what you say?
I'm at work, but I wanted to call the other night, but I didn't get a chance.
All right.
So,
You have something playing in the background or something, yeah? Or somebody attack or something, I don't know.
yeah, I'm at work. It's a client.
Oh, I work, okay, them kind of loudish, but your phone good?
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, it's a story about my dad.
Yeah.
So, my dad he has a younger wife, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like when I met her, like she was nice to me, you know, like compared to other stepmoms. She was really nice. I'm like, okay, I could dig it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like she looked out for me and stuff. I'm like, okay, it's kind of nice. But you know what? Even when me and my dad were at odds,
she was always calling me and she kept in contact, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, okay. She seemed like she cared, like she's sincere. Then one time my dad called me. He was in Jamaica, right? He called me. He's like, yo, D, you know, say, woman burn me up with that tea. I'm a drop down the stairs and look up my back. I'm like, what do you mean you drop down the stairs? Because there's like a stairway to go into his house in Jamaica, right?
Right.
He said he fell. Don't know if it was actually her that pushed him, but he felt he hurt his back, right?
Right.
So he's like, yo, he wants to get away from her. So he
Right.
needed me to help him. So I'm like, yo, what do you want me to do? So he's like, he wanted to come up, right? So I'm like, okay. So I sent him an invitation letter,
Mm-hmm.
and he came up.
Mm-hmm.
Like a year after he got through, he came up, right? So he was
Right.
staying with me at my place.
Right.
You know, he came up, so I took him to see a lawyer, immigration lawyer. So I'm like, yo, Dad, hear what the lawyer is saying, see what we need to do so you could get your papers over here and then you could stay.
Mm-hmm.
Raga, let me tell you, every day the man drink white rum and there a ball over the woman. The woman will burn him up with the tea and push him down the stairs, eh? So me I said, but this not normal. They come like the woman time. Because like, how did she do all these things to you? And here you are, a break from her, and yet still all he's doing is crying, you know? So I said, all right, you know, I'm not getting involved. Whatever he wants to do is his decision at the end. So he was over here for 3 weeks. I'm saying, yo, he's going back down because he misses her, right? And mind you, he has a son and a daughter with her. So I'm like, okay, well, if that's your choice, that's your choice, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, fast forward, Raga. Couple years after, he reached out again and told me if I could help his wife and his kids come up. So at first, I was a little bit hesitant because me and the wife haven't been communicating since he told me about that whole ordeal that happened with them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow, I'm like, you know what, it's fine, whatever. So I did. She came up, the daughter came up, the son came up. They were staying at my place. Mind you, she has lots of family over here, and no one helped her, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So, anyhow, she's staying at my place. But every now and again, she's leaving to meet up with this guy, uncle, right? So I'm like, yo, who is this uncle, and how comes every time she's going to see uncle,
Mm-hmm.
the kids are not going with her, you know? So I kind of found it strange. And she didn't even introduce me to the uncle. So I'm like, okay. Anyhow, when she go too much, I said to her, I'm like, yo, can I meet him? Like, who's this guy, you know?
Wait. There's somebody screaming, "Hey!" in the, and there's a lot going on around you.
I'm working with crazy people right now, okay?
Oh. Okay, all right. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Okay.
that's, let me go on the back porch and see. Is it better now?
Yes, it's much better
Okay.
now. Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
anyhow, so I asked to meet the uncle, and she said, "Oh, he's busy," and kept giving me runarounds, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, okay. So I called my dad one time. I'm like, listen, yo, your wife have a man up here, eh? And she's not being honest with you. Raga, tell me how my dad called me, cursed me. I even kicked this woman out of my house. So I'm like, yo, if you have a man up here, you need to go live with your man or go live with them other family members you have, because you're not going to stay in my place and disrespect my dad.
Right.
When my dad found out, and I told him, I'm like, yo, listen, your wife have a man and nobody don't know this uncle, and I think she's cheating on you. Raga, my daddy take God off my cross and say, I lie, me I tell upon your wife, and this and that. So,
Right.
you know, I'm like, okay, well, if you want to believe your wife over me, then that's your business, right?
Mm-hmm.
So me and him had stopped talking for like a couple years. And then the wife still had a visa for here. So the wife had came up, then the wife run off. So then he phoned me now, because he's alone, you know, with the kids. So I'm like, oh, she run off again.
Well, I should run off and left him with the pitney.
Yes.
Okay.
So he's in Jamaica with the kids, and she's over here gallivanting, doing whatever the heck she's doing, right? Then when I guess the stresses of life became too hard, he phoned again, and he's like, yo, I need help because I'm here with the kids, and she's over here. So I'm like, yo, how long she's over here? This time she was over here, I think 5 years. Right? But he didn't want me to know because he knew how I felt about her. So I said to him, so I'm like, what are you going to do? So he's like, oh, he's going to come up. He's going to sell everything back home, like, you know, sell the house, sell the car, whatever. And he's going to come up and live with her. So I'm like, live with her? I'm like, where's she living? She's in Toronto, right? So I'm like, who's she living with? He's like, oh, she's living with some family members and stuff. So I'm like, oh, because, yo, she hadn't even linked me up to let me know she's in the country or anything. So, you know. Anyhow, my dad sold everything, came up. This was a year ago. Decided he's going to stay too. Raga, you know, say, my daddy called me from the airport and tell me, say, uncle, come pick him up. So I said to him, say, well, on there, are the same uncle this? We used to come check her when she live at my place? He say, yes. So I said, no, the same man there, me tell her, say, yo, she there with. He must say, no, man, D. Our uncle for true, man. Our uncle for true, and he's a nice man, you know, a respectable man, and he buy me pizza when me come off the scene and thing.
Well, him saying buying pizza when he come out.
Yeah.
No.
So
Yeah.
apparently after they left the airport, he bought them pizza because, you know, the flight was long and, you know, checking out and everything. So the man bought my dad and my little sister pizza. And my dad was okay with that. Anyhow, them get to a little place in Toronto. And now they're living together, right? And I guess the family's reunited, you could say that. So a couple months passed. Like, I went to check him when he just came up, and I saw him because he brought up some stuff for me and things. And then I never seen him for a while because I'm far away from Toronto, right?
Right.
Then he phoned me one night, like maybe like 1 o'clock, early morning times. I'm like, yo, is you good? Because you know I have work. Like, why is you calling me so late? He's like, boy, D, you know, I say, I'm fine. What do you want?
Oh, wow. This is about Jason.
Okay, can I talk to you after? Because I'm actually on the phone.
He's saying that it's him.
Okay, I'll talk to Jason after, okay? Thank you. Okay. All right.
No, but how it end up with him, man?
Well, you know, Reggae, so daddy called me and told me, say, 1 o'clock in the morning, say, he come home, the wife, now they're home, and just the kids home, and how he found a used condom in the bin. So me, I say, so maybe it's yours. The man say, yo, D, I've been up here a year, and this woman don't give me no crutches, so I know my condom. So I'm like, what do you mean? So whose condom is it? Right? Because me have to play a fool Tina because my daddy come like she tie him or whatever. So I'm like, I who for condom, daddy? He's like, boy, D, I don't know, I know. But at this time, he was really under the influence. So, you know, he's saying like a bag of things, whatever.
No, but
So
how it end up?
So the wife came back home because she went away with her other family, right? She came back home and he asked her whose it was. She said she didn't know, right? Knowing my father, he believed her. I think that somewhere, somehow, someone must have just came to see them and left it there.
Yeah.
And it wasn't the wife's. right?
Yeah, things happen. Like a visitor just come in and just take out a
Yeah, he
used
just drop
condom
out
and
of them
just drop
pocket.
it. Yeah.
So
Sure.
I'm just like, okay, fine. So he's like, yo, he wanted to come by my place, but because I live so far away, so I'm like, okay. He said, if I could come pick him up. So I'm like, yeah, I could come get you guys, but I'm not getting your wife.
No,
Because
but
I don't like
how
your
it
wife.
end up? How it end up?
Okay, so they're there. They had an argument, but apparently they made up. And the wife and the uncle is still involved, and the uncle is still actively involved in the life, whereas we'll come pick the wife up and bring her places. And my dad believes that uncle is actually your uncle. Till the point where the wife stopped working now, so she could spend more time with uncle, because uncle needs a little bit more support. I don't know. And now my dad is working like 18-hour days, taking care of all the bills so that the wife can assist uncle.
Are you serious?
Dead serious, man. I'm telling you, I don't know what's wrong with him. I told him to go to church because he needs prayer. He needs something. Because
So when you say tie, you really believe she tie him? You believe
oh
to
yeah,
tie?
because
You
she's
believe tie?
really
Hold on,
young.
you say it as joke, or you believe say it
No,
possible for
it's
somebody
serious,
tie?
man, because she's done many more things to him in regards to cheating, and him actually seeing it and not believing what he's seeing.
Okay.
So I think something along the lines, like she did something, because yeah, and then one time, cause the Clarendon them come from me, and one time somebody did tell me say her mother work Obia or something.
Oh.
Her mother big now Obia. So me I say, oh, her mother work Obia. Then say her mother work Obia or something, and then the mom lost the voice because she did some wrong spiritual thing. So her mom can't talk.
Oh, like what turn back will be a take her.
Yes. So she did something, and it came back on her where the mom can't speak no more.
No, but is it
Yeah.
possible that is not Obia, that your father just weak and
Maybe he's weak. It's December, but I don't know.
What you say about December?
His birthday is in December.
What that have to do with him possibly being
No,
weak? What you
December
mean?
man generally weak.
Oh, you said December man them weak.
Yeah, man, then generally weak. December man weak, Taurus man weak. You know what, come on.
Oh, no, you're teaching me. December man weak. And what you say, Taurus man them weak and thing. But
Taurus them weak,
woman
God.
can't just clown them out and take them for idiot,
Oh
though.
yeah.
December
Real
man and
puppy for
Taurus
them.
man them. December May man them, though.
Yes.
Okay.
Have no sense.
Okay. Can somebody check and tell me when Squeaky born, please? Just a sidebar. But anyway, that was a joke. No, well, it must have anything to do with Obia. I can't you have some people, them, I just saw them stay, them just addicted to dysfunctionality and them can't let it go,
But you can't be that naive to life, though. Like, I mean, if it's right in front of your
No.
face,
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean you can't be that naive to life? There are millions of people who are like that. Remember, all of life is interpretation. And when you're in relationship, remember, interpretation is what you think about the phenomenon, the event. So me and you can look on the same thing and we have different interpretation. And when you're in relationship, interpretation, right, what you see is based on your fears. Is based on your fears and your needs.
But like,
So based on your father fears and him needs, he must see what him want to see.
But say daddy don't have a problem with getting females though. Like, who go a party and like
That has nothing to do that has nothing to do with having your fears with You have people, nice people, good looking people, successful people, whatever. And you have people who treat everybody else like crap, or they're self-assured and confident with everybody else, but just have that one person they are. Them just have a one person who, as we said, them just weak too, and them just fool to that person.
Boy, that's beyond weak. I don't even know what to call that.
Yeah. But you think there's a possibility that she really owe him on time for you and it work?
Yeah, man, she definitely did something to him, man. Because it's been years.
Yeah.
It's been years. And it's the same stuff going on. Everyone in the family knows. Like his sisters kind of have him at bay because they keep telling him and he's not listening. So it's just like, where do we go from here?
Okay, all right. So you have to be careful how you keep on enabling his behavior in that way. But it sounds to me like you stop it already. So, and things saying big up your, so at the same day now, him still there work 18 hours a day. Pay all of the bills them, and she had the road with uncle. And she had the road with uncle had what the term them use up here? Blow out her back, no? Or as Raga would have said, uncle had jump up in her belly, no?
Yeah. He definitely not doing it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, yeah, but it sucks. But yeah, he calls me like on a daily now and tells me how tired he is. And I'm like, dude, you're doing too much.
Listen. Women don't volunteer respect.
Yeah.
In general, women don't volunteer respect. Most of them don't even know how to do that, right? Women give a man respect based on how him conduct himself, how him carry himself, right? The way a man carry himself, a woman will give him respect. And when she want to disrespect him, she just can't do it the way him carry himself. Yeah, sometimes she had observed certain little interests and say, say if so-and-so, we could have get so-and-so, but no, man, I can't do that to him, though. I can't, that not gonna work with him. Them just know, right? Yeah. So she knows that she have him right where you remember earlier when I say you have some people them out there do them thing, but them just want to know. Them know why you leaving.
Yeah.
Them know why you leaving. Listen to me. One of the most dangerous person you can have in your life is somebody who don't want to love you, but want to keep you right there to serve their interest.
Yeah, of course. That's definitely her.
Again, one of the most dangerous people you can have in your life is somebody who really don't want to love you. Like, they don't want to love you like that. But they want to keep you right there to serve certain interests, right? And there are different configurations with that too and thing. But just broadly, you have that situation,
Yeah.
And that is what. And then you have another part to where, I'm going to be honest with you, sometimes woman says a man is a good man. And be like, yes, these are the qualities what I want. Tick off the boxes them. But then the man is a good man in such a way where him now a spine in him back. And I care how woman try for respect a man like that. Knowing that he's a good man, them can't do it.
Yeah.
And I know sometimes
my dad. He's a provider, but he's very soft.
Soft and thing, but that are the person him there with, Again, let me say it, you have people, who be there with somebody and the person have all the qualities where them like. But them, them can't stand up like a man and thing like that. And most women, you could have do everything right and whatever. If you're in a firm certain way, most women them can't have that something they feel like even respect if them don't even want to open their leg for you can lie down in them. It just like, yo, you understand. So
yeah.
One of them thing there,
Yeah.
So him not carry himself in a way for come on, respect for him, So she just keep him right there and do what she like with him. Tell him anything and him believe it.
He drinks a lot, since the stuff been going on.
Yeah.
He's been drinking a whole lot. So I feel
Uh,
like that too is not even helping the situation really.
right.
So yeah.
All right. It is what it is. I just saw him there, him spread him bed and thing, and I just saw him there, you know. And it doesn't look
Yeah.
like him a go leave anytime soon. All right. Bless up
All right,
yourself,
Raga,
yeah?
take
Yeah,
care.
man. Respect, man.
Alrighty.
Cool. Yeah, man.
Bye.
Yeah, man. Me nah excuse what she had do, but me also say, him nah, you know, based on what she explain, him that I explain. Him not carry himself in any way if he, you know, if he ever command certain respect from her, you know. A woman no volunteer respect. Right? As them say, you have to earn it. Long distance relationship. Long distance relationship. You have some people prefer that, no, you know. You have people who prefer long distance relationship. I talk to people all the while who be like, yo, long distance relationship is perfect. You know, and they're like, and yeah, and them not born or anything, them not cheat or anything, it just work. Some interesting things out there right now, you know. I know a couple, you know, happy. When I say happy. And them have them own a house. Each of them have them own a house. Right beside each other. You hear me say? Each of them have them own a house right beside each other. Them own a house in them own a yard. And nothing happier than them. And them said, that is how we want it. You have people happy. When we say happy, living at the same house, but it's almost like two different people rent two sides of the house. And they don't want to sleep together at night time. Them do it, you know, when they want, you know. But it's a thing out there, actually. It's a thing out there. It's like some people just want that kind of space. And remember, you know, you're conditioned to think that, oh, if you do that, then something wrong in your relationship, you know, because you must sleep together and this and that, you know, the same bed and blah, blah, blah. And more there are people who are resisting those conventional wisdom. There are people who are resisting those traditional constructions that they were told that this is how it's supposed to be. And people are actively figuring out what works best for them. What they need to be happy. And people coming up with these type of solutions to say, no, we're great. We don't have to sleep in the same bed every night. And I see them also, you know, but I see them, and I'm going to tell about that couple. I mean, that's different, you know, remote, you know. That is not a standard fare out there. But me, I say them have two houses beside one another and nobody no more happy than them, right? And what is interesting too is that there's a lot of women. It's more so with women now, increasingly, you know, particularly older women. And it's happening in Canada, it's happening in the United States, it's happening in Western Europe, right? And let me just, it's happening in Western societies mainly. You know, I'm not aware of it happening in Asia or, you know, in Japan or South Korea or whatever. But you have these women who, they want their own space, but them still want there with them man, you know, or them husband. But, you know, this traditional thing where it's usually the woman, where the man set the rules and thing, and she's staying at the house and whatever. You have a lot of women, them not there so anymore. Somebody said married twice at this point, I love my own space. Yeah, man, you have a lot of women who, that them run them thing, them govern them thing, them set the terms, or them work with the man, but them make the man know like, no, man, I really want to live with you under a roof, see me, you know, but, you know, it better if you have your thing and me have my thing, and And we meet when we want to meet and whatever, but like, I want to go back in my own space, and you can go back in your own space. And them there, no burning now go on, no cheating now go on. That is what I'm happy with. Somebody else in the chat, I am married and we have separate rooms. I can't be under a man every night. It's the right there in the chat. Right, yeah, I mean, we see the increase in poly relationships, right? Yeah, that's what's going on. People by now, I know you've been listening for a while, you know that I'm a little weird, right? Yeah, I have sides for me that are cool, but I know some people can't find them. I look weird. I mean, you know that I'm a little nerd, right? Yeah, I have a nerdy side to me, right? I'm a thinker, you know, and I find interest and intrigue in some of the most simple things that some people wouldn't, you know, like make a big deal, right? You know, Mango always say, Raga, only you would think about something like that, you know? People, you know this phenomenon where like a pattern is established, you know, like a pattern behavior is established. And I've discussed it before in different contexts but then people ban and come see it and you just follow it and you just accept it. That's how it is. And you don't challenge it. Not only you don't challenge it, you just never even think to challenge it. And if you hear somebody challenge it, you're like, you just born or something. You come see everybody do it so you do it so, and you don't want to do it any different. And here's the Raga weirdness. People, why when Jamaicans are iron, them iron the color first? No, I'm telling you, it's kind of weird, right? It's weird. It's a little observation on my part. Why when Jamaicans are iron, they iron the color first, you know? So I've been noticing it, and then, you know, on occasions, you munch like, yep, only Raga. So on occasion when I notice it, I will ask, you know, like, you know, you always iron the color first, and they will do like, yeah. Why you do that? I don't know, just some always do it, but yeah, but you consistently do it that way, but why you do it? No, just some do it, that's some mother and dad do it, and that's some me do it, and things, another. Let me see. Yeah, somebody said I on the color last. Somebody said I on color last. Oh, somebody said collar and sleeve line up. Everybody said that's true. It's to test out the heat of the iron. If it's too hot, no. That one they not take. Anytime people test out the heat of the iron, them always go down at the bottom, the end, somewhere upon the wrong side. Nobody tests out the heat of iron upon the top where everybody has it. I don't know how you reach this one. Fat boys say Antiguas do it too. Niasa from top to bottom. It's just something I noticed that Jamaicans do. You know, I realize that I do it too because I learned to iron from my mother and thing, and I'm just thankful that I did because I know for iron and thing. I mean, it could have been worse, you know. I could have learned to iron from somebody from the ANC, you know, and then that would mean somebody can't iron, you know, and whatever. But I do it too. Collar, sleeve, and then everything. CVS, no matter Raga. Yeah. Shade, Raga gonna feel good if him not call out ANC. Don't do it. Just up your talk. Hello.
I go on my bad lecturer.
Then you know what I say.
There I say, Raga, I have a story for give you. It's a
Senna.
one time, you know.
Yeah.
All right, I'm a good dancer, very good dancer. So I know if I work up my body, you know,
And
move
do
from
your
the
thing.
back jaw up and down and them thing there. So
Yeah, you
I
can make
might
one.
like
You
it.
can make one side of your body just jump up down and the next side, and them something.
So
Yeah.
one day, you know, me attack and think I'm a Guinness girl, always a beat up my Guinness and thing.
Mm-hmm.
And one man like me off, you know, so me and him attack. Anyway, they must say, boy, anytime me I take care, I don't know, say, I don't know, normal. Like, you know, some man love chat off them out and go like, say, them are the big and baddest thing.
Yeah.
So one night now, we say we are going to do a thing.
See?
Where I got? Anyway, him say me him want me for quinted car. We always a chat off for quinted and stuff. Me say Raga when me quinted on the man. Raga, I've
Yeah.
never ever been so frightened in my life.
What him do?
But just hear the man. Just imagine somebody a catch fits. I hear the man I say, take out TCB. Somebody say, what you say? He said, stretch out for me, Raga.
Well, what you say, him said? What you say, him said?
Raga, the man said, like, you go for me. And the man I said, stretch out for me. But because he must shake so much, he said, stretch out.
Mommy, I don't get it. Why? What it means stretch out? Stretch out, oh.
Raga, the man catch a piece of muscle contract and not normal. But me frightened. The way me frightened, give me one pick off of me. You know. And when him drop a ground now, me realize I'm up. And him a shake and him a say, stretch out. Raga, me say, stretch out what? Him say, stretch out my foot. Raga, me hold the foot and me never know say. Quintin pussy could have give a man that. Remember me tell him, I say, man, up.
You pan the day show, not sub live, but pan the day show, don't say the P word, here.
Oh.
Yeah, but that's okay. Just say chun chun or puns.
Mr. Raga, I said the man cup of ground. Remember me tell you, say, me say when me stretch out the man foot, it a come from up in the hip, you know.
No, that must contract something and not normal, you know.
All me know, that the most frightening time of my life. I mean, never know. Say, you see, after that, the way man shame in time I'm talking, the man said teeth in the vagina grab on funny.
Nah, but you see, you must have that something there too, you know, because you see, if you're a dancer too and you fit that way there and whatever, them woman there, you know, when them squeeze it, they squeeze different. No, man, you see, you're probably one of them woman there who can just squeeze out a come out a man, you know, it's like, you know, you just go up. And it just happen. All when him no want it happening, it just happening because it just, yeah, you probably have that something there, you know, that little gripments there and whatever and thing like that. So when it reach the dog and whatever and him body tends up and all that thing, him say, stretch out for me. No, sir. No.
I'm not normal. Me fright me, man. I'm not normal, and I've heard people say them catch, but no man now go admit to it.
So what?
Me say them catch muscle contract funny. Me hear man talk about it already. Say
why no man wouldn't admit that? Why no man wouldn't admit that? Why? For what? Why?
Well, it's very embarrassing.
What is embarrassing about that? Not embarrassing, but it's funny.
Well, it's funny to me afterwards.
Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't find that embarrassing. I laugh. Oh, me and you are juggling. You gonna do that? I must contract. A beer friggin' Mister. Me say, hey, girl, yeah, you look up front and thing. You come cramp up man muscle and thing. Me nah come out. Me a dead man. You know me. I keep up some foolishness. Why would anybody be embarrassed about that?
The man afraid of me like pussy. It never happen again, you know. Him afraid. Him say sit and grab him.
Then I not see nothing like that for embarrassed about, man. That is fun.
Most men they like talk about them something, you know, so them now got me a one man me ever hear talk about that. After that, me hear a man talk about it, and like we were joking about it. You understand? Cause my girlfriend didn't know about it, so we from time to time, like when them something come up, and we joke about it. But a serious something, I swear the man that I got dead. I swear the man that I got
Nothing
dead.
wrong with that, man. What him should I do is I'll just do some. Him try to come out and just and lift up your leg and look by your front. Behave. I kill you one, come kill me. Behave. And I bet you're dead with laugh and whatever. Keep up some little alarms up and say, all right, may I go back in there. Don't do it again. And you go back in there, whatever thing, and make all you say, you know, say, you're not right, he's a madman, you know, what you know what I say? What it is of embarrassed about? What is of embarrassed about?
Me feel the pain though, but I say man for that man for
Me,
that. But
when
I'm
I,
asking you know.
eh?
I'm asking the way you can manage. You could ask the Quincy.
Nah,
Right,
man. Me to all like man, them I hear all them something, them man. You for just have that security there now on yourself, and you know, you imagine you stop and you do something creative and unusual. Listen, no, you just, you know, something I go stay right. You know, something need for prayer for your front, right? You know, cause you look like say. The front you want come. So we are going to just say, just rest me up in front and say, Almighty God, as I'm about to enter into this paradise right here with this front and thing. Lord, you see and know the muscle contract what it reached me the last time. God, me I beg your guidance as me go back in night. Come I have to go back in night, you know, God. You know what it roll with me, God, through the valley. Roll with you know, you keep up something, but the man don't laugh or whatever, man. What?
Man, feel like dog, man. I tell him always talk about him. Say me. Never again.
Aye, boy, one of them thing there, you know.
I just tell you,
See. But you know, it's because when that gripman thing there, you know, what am I doing, you know, because when man no one come, them tens. Them I try for hold back on tens. So a contract, they must literally contract, you know, when them are tens. Depend on the position where him did in or two, you know. And sitting at that reach him, you know. Anyway, big up yourself here.
yeah, man, well, follow.
Love and blessings, man. And we just want to say big respect. One last thing before you go do, here.
Yeah.
Based on what you share just now, right? Based on what you share, you're gonna notice like some little bad mind energy I come from certain woman. Cause them are gonna hear what you just say, right?
Well, I never met them, no give
No, hold on. But me just I tell you which of the woman them are gonna do it. They know. Them know what me I gonna say already before me even say. Them come from the Ants Nest crew, the ANC crew, yeah? So anytime you see anybody in their back, you say all I want in here Munchie. You see she put kiss me teeth before me say anything. You see Naki B and thing and whatever. So I can't tell you now. Them are haters right now. They're haters. Because to for them start to pop down now and whatever this and that, them I want to come bad mind if you're good chun we can grip and cause muscle contract in a boy I met boy say try to for me. Them never have a boy say that yet for them sitting and thing. No boy say that for them and thing. You understand? So big up your good chun. Okay. All right, boo. Come.
Hey Raga, what's up?
Well, I'm there, I know I'm going with you.
I'm there, man. I'm just a area up, big up. I've been following you over the years from a teen until now.
All
Almost,
right.
yeah. I'm
All
still here,
right.
man. Just one of your fan. I'm just a area. Keep up the entertainment. As
All
I
right.
said, I've been a fan from my earlier years. Now I'm grown adult, so yeah,
Blessings,
just a big
man.
up
Blessings, man. Respect for the year, here.
from radio time. You can imagine
Yeah.
when you're
Yeah.
hiding a little so pure, it not clear mix up.
From your young them time there, you have to iron and listen raga, don't.
I know.
And look at that now, you turn bigger man now and you can listen anytime you want to listen, don't.
Yeah, Miss it tell you.
All right, now say a word, man. Respect for the yearlings here.
All right, cool.
Manners, cool. Hello.
Manners and manners and greetings to you know, Kingsley Stewart for years. You see the
Yeah,
name they draw you right back. This a one youth from your youth. You see a youth like you, a
yeah.
man like you know. Me feel so pleased we can talk to you on your platform.
Give
Yeah?
thanks. Give thanks.
Let me tell you something. Me see you in one last moment right now. By looking in your eye, the name of my call Kingsley, enough people don't know it. I shouldn't even say it, but that's so deep and so really hard to me. Yeah, one of them that changed my life in my youth. You remember Mr. Stamp? When you walk in a badness,
Yeah.
you was one of them, was a heart of badness, and you change your life. And when me meet you, Mr. Stamp, bring me to you, and you change it. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
grow years and still have that honors for your seeing me. Yeah?
See it there.
Will never stop. Yeah, me just feel proud for know say I 1,000 K upon I 1 K upon live right now. So that for sure you it's not just a call or just a big up, but it's lined with gratitude and honors of powers. Because out of all, it just ride from zero to the top. Yeah.
Seeing.
Come sit down
Seeing.
and me I listen to you, you know. And
Mm-hmm.
I say my time now for talk to Kingsley.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it just happened with a switch of a button,
See it there.
touching the ears, right? But yeah, man, I feel good. But I like to talk to you upon a different link, upon the life, because we have greater things to talk about. And
Yeah.
you can lead me in a greater way. You understand? Because levels over levels. You understand me?
Yeah.
But when I come forward on the platform for that, I got
Oh, and
enthused.
people, where Virginia reference to is back in the day, Homestead Place of Safety, when them used to call Young Prison, it was it and Cell Block where they there beside we, as you know. For children who who did I get in a trouble, who did a bad, and we have to go court and thing, but we weren't allowed outside, so we did basically under 24/7 lockdown and thing like that, and so I did several years in those type of places before them did send me go boys home. And then I go boys home and it's still a bad and then send me go back home still that thing and whatever and thing. So that's what the bridging at about say we did in that setting there, and unfortunately, when you did it so, it's a type of place where a whole heap of people in a society say, we were the worst of the worst and we not come out to nothing, because you did have to bad for go there, so, you did have to get in some serious trouble for going. So with me, I was seeing at the road, stab up and thing, me get stab up people, that kind of jam, and whatever. I mean, I know the bridging did that stuff, but we did have boys there who did that for murder. We have a whole bunch of them who did that for murder, but, we were children. And so we used to them used to send we when you're in the court system and thing, and they weren't allowed to send we go to regular prison. So them did have this designated area for we, you go court for a while, and then if you get place a boys home, you get place a boys home. Or for some people, you end up staying there until you're 18. So me did get there and them send me go through. We did Homestead go several boys home, and then they still a bad hunting and then get sent back there and did it till me at 18. My auntie come take me and carry me go Auguston. So that is what the brethren are reference right here. So him know me from this as Kingsley Stewart, and he would have gone through the same thing where we go through in terms of, what society did I say about we. At that point, just as children, we don't know not with certain things. We just try to make our way through the world and thing, and so that's my reference right now. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And enough people that look upon them place as some bad place, but you want to tell us, and them places give you the drive, the motivation to be who we are today, some great giant. You see, there's a thing when me cap from you from the smack. I remember when Mr. Stamp introduced me to you, Him call me and you was in the office. And he said, there's this young man I want to introduce you to. And I look forward in the office, you were there. And Miss Robinson was there.
Well, and you know what I remember it? Let me tell you why I remember it. Him did have a picture of me in the office, and him did just show you the picture before him called me and thing, and then he said, yeah, something like so, yeah, I remember,
right.
yeah.
Because he was saying to me that you was one of a star with the great powers and potential, the drive, when we see the influence him saw in you from them time. And he said the only person could match you, it was me.
Okay, give thanks.
Every time in the campus, he said there's only one person in here could match Kingsley, it was me. And when you came in there and you brought me in there the day and introduced me to you, and we had a conversation and we have a reasoning and like, just try to show me, I say, yo, no make this place break you. Because I can see where you have that drive, that potential. You understand?
Yeah.
You can change. And you know, to be honest with you, Kingsley, I them thing that changed me from being the vice-terrorist, monstrous type of youth I used to be. Enough people don't realize, and I take it in such a way that I try to capitalize on it in a way that I've been through certain situation and I see what the situation is all about, right? Because there's a flaws within the situation, in the system, and if you don't catch it from a very early point, you're going to sink. Because if you notice how they set it up, for example, you would be like a past student, they would have put it as, right? And your return, but you return with a portfolio to share with the young offenders, some in a way that they can change their life and see a brighter way. Because as you just put it, you said, yeah, people used to think that when they put you in a place of safety, a place like that, you're like of nobody. But from the nobody, here comes somebody. Even today, if I never say that, a lot of people don't even know the background of you, that we've been through these things. I would have just see it and say, oh, we was on the Christmas tree. Everything for us was on the Christmas tree.
No, man, that's a one. Everybody know that about me, because me always tell me.
Yeah, that's it.
From me, I go up Ian Boring Show, all of them thing, the nation. No, people know all of this, because I keep an eye that from anybody. And it's funny that you say that, because you know, and I'm sure you say you know, yeah, no, me I take some of call auntie, but what me I say is it's funny you say that, because Jail Fresh, is that the Jail Fresh or somebody else? Are that the blogger Jail? Well, let me see something. 1 second here.
Yes, boss.
What? Yeah, I boss with you, you know. I ain't see him man. Yeah, someone give me beer joke on social media, you know. But it's funny you say that, because everybody I say, hey man, big up yourself, my G. May I come to your job? Give me a second there. You're stay where you're there. Yeah, so it's funny you should have said that, my lion, because it was you see Mr. Stamp.
Yeah.
You know, when I think, like, you know, so after a while, me did whatever, and give me keys and whatever, and and me remember one time, me and him a reason, and I said to him, say, when me leave Homestead, me not hide it from anybody, so me did there, because me want to tell people when me did there, so that if people still be my friend, I know say them I'm a real friend. If them know say me did in a jail and whatever. That me said to him, you know. And then I remember him keep on tell people that some said that and thing and whatever. So it's funny that you said that just now a while ago, you know.
You say,
yeah.
Or you draw that point right there, so you say, rather let them know
Yes, man.
Who is your real friend?
Yes, man.
I'm going to tell you something, Raga. You know, say, you see that same line that way you use, it guide me until today day. More often know my real friend them. Because you see, when we went inside, it was all about friends, helping, defending, protecting friends. And while I was there, we never see one friend mother send one thing come for me through all them times when I go through me for friends. You see me come back a road, let me drop back a road as would I say, yeah? Me start move different, me start move by myself.
Alright, but yeah, what going on? Now you have a reason differently here. Because we can talk, there's a lot we can talk about on the subject and thing as you're aware and things. But when I want to do, I say respect to the eye. For just come give me a look of blessings in idea and thing or whatever. I just want to say give thanks.
Make the public know, make the world know. This man, Kingsley, is my mentor. Whether I talk to him for years, I talk to him from there, but I sit down and always I listen. When I just call you for a while ago, and I come hear the lady in the background, I talk about this muscle contracting, yeah? Listen, as a man, brother, sometimes, at the position we in, the muscle contract whole because something whole we don't that want to be the dominate the game. And left at the contract whole. It's a bad pull out, sometimes we just drop on it, style it.
See, that's our word, man. Big up yourself, here, sir.
Big up yourself, boss.
Yeah, man. Respect and honor, man. Protection, man. Cool.
Thank you for the energy.
Yeah, man. Cool. You, sir.
What go on?
Why you causing so much trouble for the people in social media platform?
remember you will grow and listen to
give thanks,
natural,
man. You see, nah, man, me see out there some controversies too and whatever, but even the controversies, they just are dead with laugh or whatever.
But
to
be honest, I'm wanted to say sometimes a delusion, but I don't think not woman says controversial, and I just think people just afraid to say it.
Well, you're right. I remember Lil Wayne make a quote one time, and I'm like, that's me. And he said, I don't set out to be controversial. I just be myself, and who I am. People say that is controversial, and I'm like, that's it. And by extension too, a lot of the things that my people find controversial. Now it changed now. I notice the things circle out now. But I notice a lot of the things that my people find controversial when me, I do my thing and I push the envelope and push the boundaries and think on radio in Jamaica. I always say, what am I talking about? This is a regular thing I get to.
Yo, here what?
Yeah.
I realize, Raga, I realize that Jamaica, we're hypocrites and we always try to have this fake sense of morality. And I can tell you this, Jamaicans value entertainment over morals. You get me? Because if you look for a man like me, if you look for a man like you, we're supposed to be cancelled by the culture standard.
Right.
We're supposed to have a career, we're supposed to get stoned to death long time.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
But we will go so boom, man, yes, a man who not go church in how long bring up religion, when him himself now go church, you see me, when him himself have 4 baby mother, never make one of them a wife, but him want to come burn a fire upon. And sometimes them not burn a fire upon we, Them are burn a fire upon the people who will give the platform, because think about it. Most things that people burn you for, are things where other people say pan your show, and you say it,
That's true. Well, yeah.
No time people are burn me when me really say, the person beside me say it. And then the platform them are being built, map 2 of them, let's be honest, toxic talk. One is more relationship, one is more music, culture. You get me? And when come on lie, you see everybody makes comments alone, I'm never go road. But I think the people want to kill me. But when you're going on the road, and nothing but love. From all walks of life, all age groups. Sometimes I see some pitney and I say, oh, enough you watch me, Police, politicians, you name it. So we're going to always try to give off that fake sense of morality. They like, Jamaica is this, Jamaica is that. What they may meds in, I say, look on Dancehall channel. As a juvenile, we have cable and you see man just put them camera up a woman frack and you say, I didn't know, these people who have kids want to come bash Jeffrey? What's going on? Jamaica's always been this way. Nothing new.
But tell me something. Even in your tenure, your sojourns thus far, despite that rampant sustained hypocrisy, particularly on matters sexual in nature to one thing. But do you think that Jamaica has gone through certain changes though?
No, I don't.
No,
think so.
no.
I think it's the same country. When it comes down to influence, all I believe influence is this. You have to be influenced by somebody. You get me where I come from? But it's still a choice. So a lot of times people will like stick on one particular thing from one person, but we're not one thing. You know what I mean? If you come on my yard right now, all I care about a grass. And you never think that Jeffrey's I'm in a landscaping and them something. You get me? So me have my people and me watch who does deal with lawn care every day. Right? But then you have some other things now where like soul music. So influence is that somebody can take one thing from Raga and I might not take the other thing. You get me?
Right.
But the fact that people are taking it shows that people interested. It's something, you know? So I don't think nothing change. I just think that it takes trailblazers like me and you to come talk about some things. Brother and back, take the beating, and people are say, Chuck, them still alive. Me can't do it too. But them bin did want to do it. You get me?
No, but what I'm saying is, you don't think that Jamaica has gone through some sort of a velvet sexual revolution in terms of the capacity to explore, you know, what you could perhaps characterize as non-traditional sexual activity, and also, which is a different issue, to be able to publicly speak about it. You don't think that Jamaica has gone through some sort of transition?
I think the public side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that. I think the confidence and here what I want to. You see, I get back to the hypocrisy. What normally happens is, you know, when you look upon a old woman, I come say Ray and Tay, and then when you look, you find out, say, you know, so she did Ray upon the Mobile weekend, and she was the little slut, you know. And then somebody else said, she tried to chat to me, so, and I chastise myself. Then you realize, say, yo, the people who are born out me are the same thing, so you just do what you want to do.
True. Let me tell you something. One time, as you know, I was on New Start 93 FM, so I'm going to say something about somebody in dead and gone. Anthony Abrams, he was the owner of New Start 93 FM. And as you know, he was big in the government. He was a minister and thing and renowned. And he's one of them wealthy, rich, aristocratic. Yeah. And one day, I'm there in my yard, you know, because them time, them show a shot, you know, so I'm go by my yard all the while, go reason. And a whole bunch of well-known, very powerful Jamaicans, them come in. And them just a reason and I drink liquor and a reason and them start reminisce. And me not say me would do what them I do, because I'm real big and, you know, if you go so do so and you send on and give me and thing, me I protect you. You know, me not make nobody know me and you do. But them there, they chat and go on and thing and the names them what them call. About the woman, them who them rings out in the pool and all them. So these are grown men, you know, powerful men and whatever, who some of them all have problem with my issue. I just sit on the quiet and I say, watch, you know. But the name of the woman, them what them call and what the woman them used to do and whatever, I tell you, I say, as some woman who at the time, you know, when I tell them, I give it to me at Jamaica, you know, but I need to do better and whatever. I say, watch, you know, at them things that them woman, they are going. The hypocrisy of Jamaica, they on another level, you know, with them something there, you know, man.
Trust me. And all right, look on. Let's look on even a bigger case worldwide. Look on the whole Diddy trial, right?
Yeah.
And him and him sexcapades.
Yeah.
If you even look upon him fetish, if you look upon old school porn, is that it come from? Oil, baby oil and them something there. You get where it come from, and it's still a thing right now. Now, I remember growing up, you used to argue about cokehead. And you have to, who take coke at Jamaica? Because I've never seen somebody take like drugs outside of weed, if you even want to consider weed a drug.
Yeah.
And then now me a big man, and you realize Molly, MDMA, ecstasy, they're frequent in Jamaica.
No man, them things that they come on, but yeah.
Let's say in the garrison, why they there one garrison? I say every man there on a pill. every single man they on a pill.
I gone bad,
but
you
then
know,
me if
yeah.
you know if somebody for come on toxic talk now and said, yeah, my man I'm a pill and especially a girl, cause woman strength them having the ram for beat the woman them, you know. Them not really beat the man them having, but the woman them never beat them.
No, that double standard is terrible to pan the woman them, you know, but you know, it's a traditional thing, but go on to, yeah. So
Yeah, so it's about that. So that's why the show them can still continue because yes, you got the keyboard warriors them and them gonna say what them gonna say, but we know what going on the road for real.
but Jeffrey, you have one little one there for your thing, man. I mean, you always press, forgot what she name and whatever, man. But she ever make me laugh, you know, man. She
Who that
ever make me, eh?
Man, Browning, most Chrissy Asa.
Yeah, Dan Browning with kind of dark hair like and thing or whatever.
Yeah, man, Chrissy Asa.
Yeah, she ever keep it 100 though, you know. Big her up for me and thing. I hear me I say, Jenna, go and do your thing, man. You understand?
Man, I say, I learn enough from cartel calling them days there.
Yeah.
We probably never at the age for listen, but we did a listen said way. You know what I mean?
See it.
People don't understand. Even Gully and Gaza war, people they even know say Raga apartheid when cartel call say Leng na give him X amount of money. A long time we had the culture.
Yeah. Them days there, you know.
But some people they work with the recency thing, you know, work with nostalgia, isn't it? So we have to remember the thing them man, you know, with the crazy.
I saw it go. Big up yourself, you know, young soldier. Go and do your thing and rise here. Yeah, man. And blessings, man. Protection. Cool. Yeah, man. Me take it. Okay, cool.
Respect, man.
Yeah, you them a do them thing, man, and I rise, you know. But people may tell them say sometimes when you not do well, when you get caught up in a little thing like say nobody not have any problem with you know. And I'm here to tell them say that don't make sense. You see, from you do well, you gotta have some people who quietly just happy for you. Because you have people out there like that, you know, and them not get as much attention, you know, them positivity. But when you hear it all the while, you know, somebody will see somebody and I don't know them and say, no, I'm trying, girl, you know, for our talk. I'm trying, girl, that, you know how long she a try, and you know how long he might try and think. Nobody don't know where he might come from, you know. You have them people out there, you know, them positive, you know. And them people that usually, them now run in and go chat up to people. Them people that will just observe and just see somebody that do good and just happy for them. Yes, what I say? Devon, you just subscribe, big up yourself. You know, tomorrow you're in the sub live and I listen to something with them and I hear the things. Oh, and by the way, me I go start get more and more opening at the sub live, you know? Not about my personal business certain way, you understand? So, you know, but I mean, talk up is something them and thing or whatever. But anyway, so you have them people who are going to celebrate you and rate you and big you. But people, once you do well, you are going to have haters. Right? When it happens, don't get too caught up with it and thing. You are going to have haters. It's almost like it's an ingredient for say you do well. I know of nobody who has been really successful in what they're doing who never have a set of people that hate them and a fight against them. Everybody may know. And if you really think about it, if you just stop and think about it, then so the question is, they're gonna be there. So how you know, it's how you respond to them and how you deal with them, you know, that it come down to. See a man, I tell about Anthony Abrams, right? When me did a kick up, one time I show a ton over Jamaica and then me start to get frustrated with the people and my fight. And Anthony Abrams come and say, Raga, so I'm talking, Raga, you have the #1 show in Jamaica. And he used to host Breakfast Club with Beverly Manley, which was a current affairs morning show. And he must say, oh, you know, the money where you're sure make or whatever, you know, the thing, God, him telling them millions of making, you know, man, Jamaican millions. And thing, and him said, listen, I'm going to tell you what my father tell me. And the man say, you ever see anybody throw a stone up in an empty mango tree? I said, no. He said, yeah, man, one's two and a two up in a mango tree. I become mango up there. And him say, Raga, your tree is filled with mangoes, right? So once you understand it, them way there, you just embrace the negativity will come from them. And I saw me reach a point where me I say, when you in them business here where we in, you know, forget upset when you get haters, you know? What you have to be concerned about is when nobody no see you. That time you will be concerned when nobody no see you. But you see, once people see you and I rate you for your accomplishments, good. You see, once people see you and I beat you, that's good. Right? And then you have to know if to manage it now, because, you know, it can be the case where the feedback is you really are doing something terrible where you need to stop. So you have to understand yourself. You understand? But remember, you know, a car will park right here, so, you know, I notice the dog them. When the car park and not going where the dog them not run off of the car, you know. The dog them not run off of the car. Is when the car move and thing, at that time the dog run off of the car when the car go somewhere. And when the car stop and not going where the dog them stop to. Them will all walk away. Them not see the car. The only time when I see dog run off a car when the car go somewhere, the car go about its business. At that time the dog them, the whole of them just run back at the car and I get bilious and you want to see how the dog them angry and they want to up the wheel and all them something. Then when the car go somewhere. Never when the car still and now moving alive. And if you just know, say I saw some people still. So you see, sometimes when you do well and you roll out in a little outfit and people are this and that, or you know, you get a little degree or you buy a little house or whatever and thing, and you hear some little funny comments and make, you know, some people are switch it and I say, oh, I think you get your house, you get, you know, show off and I go on. At the time you're the same person, you know. But them have to come up with something and say, just say yes, man. And them are the dog. And through them see a car and move, them I run after you. Yes, man. Then see a ripe piece in their mango them up in your tree, so them I fling them stone. It's part of the process. It's almost like it have to happen. You understand what I'm saying? When it happens, you just laugh off of them and keep it moving and give them some more for talk about. Yeah. You see it. This are the thing there. Long distance relationship mix up or any other mix up one have, you know. All right? Long distance relationship mix up or any other mix up one have. It's a drunk where me I bring in right now.
Yo, I have to Womsy.
You know, Womsy, no. Nah, switch that. My good man, good man. Yeah, Womsy. Them used to call me a portrait when I boys home people. Womsy.
Boy, I keep goal, boy, I goalkeeper. And
Yeah.
keep ball. But me say I did good goalkeeper still, you know.
No, man, I wasn't a goalkeeper.
Yeah, man, you were a goalkeeper. I used to keep goal. I used to, yes, man.
No.
And I tell me no lie. Ultimate tell me, say you was the goalie.
Freddie wrong.
Say you was the goalie.
Nah, man, wasn't a goalie.
Nah, man, you was the
A
goalie.
midfield, me did that play what we call link, right? Man, with big ball and midfield. When them not say link anymore. No, man, you know say we are real. You know say a real old man, and you say yo, they play a link, and I say, wait, I say what? What that mean? Which position?
Man, a midfield player.
No, got link from our time back in high school.
So you was a defensive link or forward link? Which one I link?
Nah, me was just straight midfield and I'm missing on the ball them for them scoring. But you know, none of we did good like Freddie do. Freddie was the man.
The national team of him left when him left done.
Me know, but we know Freddie. We know Freddie from Freddie a ball at portrayal as I look to you out here. We know Freddie after here.
Freddie and Kato used to play for
we don't know that here.
You know Kato too?
The only problem, yeah, me don't know him person, I'm not Freddie person. The only problem we did have with Freddie, you may always tell you about you have some, you know, people who, Is it true me wasn't a fierce boy, you know, because I have a big nose and a
Freddie
big
was a
head.
fierce boy.
Freddie was a fierce boy. No, no, Freddie was a fierce boy, and Freddie was big baller. So you find say when you touch road and you're there on Freddie, you know,
Yeah,
Freddie,
man.
I go get the pretty girl, you know.
Then listen, man.
Freddie, I go get the pretty girl, you know. But you see, who in the pretty girl crew? Them are gonna come for we.
Yeah,
because we are par with Freddie. And for them pretty girl leader, I draw for Freddie.
Right.
So out of principle, you get the residual pum pum.
Yeah, the residual.
Yeah. Them days a y'all touch the road and y'all say, we're not moving. When Freddie there, Freddie now.
Yeah. even know what it said.
Yeah. Say then I say, you not touch the road, and I say, yo, Freddie not touch the road. No, he say nah, go on. Well, I think not too good. Yeah, but I
know when Freddie touch the things that happen.
Yeah, when Freddie touch the road, man, look up boom boom here run. You have to still have your lyrics though and throw your punch though, you know, whatever.
With him Tony seed like haircut and whatever. Anyway, me want to talk about the muscle contract thing you want to talk.
Yeah.
But because you did get the muscle contract one time, you see it fine. You remember? Because I know only in a foot and hand muscle contract. 2 times you get muscle contract in my face, you know.
No, you get muscle contract in your tongue?
No, my bottom lip and my top lip one time.
Jesus Christ, hold on, you know some, hold on, you know some, I'm glad you said lip, because when you say no, my bottom, me nearly jump in and say, no, the dog, now go say, get muscle contract in my bottom. You see when you say you get muscle contract in your tongue and you say, no, my bottom, me go say, John, why? And you say, no, my bottom lip. And me I say, okay. But
bottom lip and my top lip, depends on the type of alphabet you have formed. Then remember when you get it and you talk about your parsley. When you have parsley, whatever, but your
people.
When you face that room,
people don't listen to him. People don't listen to him. What happened? Me they get one something wait name. Somebody tell Christina, I go remember. Christina, what is something when I go with the doctor tell me say me get, man?
With your paralysis.
Bell's palsy. It's here, man. Bell's palsy. That the doctor.
But you get it in your jawbone.
Nah, that never reached me. You say, you get muscle contract in your lips, them and whatever. And that you say you get muscle contract in your top lip and bottom lip.
Depends on what type of letter me a farm.
Yeah. People, them man say when them man are swiping wife, you know, them man are saying gear the alphabet. Right? Them man are hide it.
Like right? The K or the common
No. That's why we are say, yo, anybody a swipe. Who send that again? Chameleon here, big up yourself. We going to Jurassic Park. What is some people? We are mad them. How them are manage when the T-Rex roll out? Them just dead. But anyway. So people, this a man I say when him a swipe him the lady, you know, him just a give her the alphabet, you know. People can imagine y'all a swipe all a woman. Ladies, you can imagine a man a swipe and him a give the alphabet with the tongue. I mean, you gonna manage when him all read?
Like all the common Q.
We're not talking about I, you know. I boring. J boring. No, but Q, because no, it's a Q no, them just that, you know. That.
You can't get capital Q. Common Q, you have to go round and then go down and turn up.
No, because capital Q, no, you have a. No. So you'd have a full circle and one stroke, right? But when you say the common Q, no, you'd have. There you go. I dare say you get your muscle contract them done. Then
But the
dog
top, but
boy,
how you get it to your top bone? And that when you did get it to
no,
your
me
top
never
bone,
get
you
no
try to
muscle
figure out
contract.
what
Me never
that.
get no I had Bell's palsy. And the doctor say, you stress out yourself too much and all them something
You
then
never did
whatever. Me
that
never,
sleep. You never did that sleep.
no, I'm a wake up with it. I'm a jack and I drop down. And me think a stroke.
You wake up with it. I mean, if you
I
just
me
sit
think
down
a
in a place where you
stroke.
sleep, that's how you wake
Because
up.
what I know people, you see, that's why I'm telling you, you see, you see, when I'm a chat about Raga a while ago, you move like a pro, you know.
Yeah, me
You
not
see,
telling people just see the evidence.
no, I was just you were talking about the alphabet, so I was improvising.
No,
And to
improvise.
say
You
like
read about it, or you don't say read about it.
eh? No, because a while ago me hear about it. So we just like yeah. Hold on. See, Caroline Chin post and say she never hear about the alphabet before. She never she never get
She need to come and Ragabash and we have a small talk and we have a small tutorial.
Jesus.
Yeah. She
All
can come over my cabana and we do a small tutorial because of an appointment.
I didn't mean literal and thing.
Literally, no.
We just like, whatever. But when me I say, no, you can imagine how when she get all that, how should I manage when the man reach W, when he reach W, and they No, Z is not the man.
No, man. The Z, you see the Z and the S. Remember, the Z have sharp corners, and then that with the speed. And then the S now, you see the S now, you have to go round and the edges have to curve and then you go down the line and then you curve the bottom again and come back. You understand me?
Now, what you say you're curving at the bottom?
No, the bottom. No.
Now that you just say no. You just say you're curving at the bottom. Me just hear you say you're curving at the bottom. Me just go with what you say. And you say you do the S, you curve and go down, and when you go down, you curve down at the bottom, curving at the bottom and come up back.
You have to do another curve.
No, man, when I say dog, really think about it. S body no, cause S I go better than T. S I go better than I.
Yeah,
but when I say no, but hold on, think about a capital G.
No, the capital G kind of, you have to, but...
No, man, when I see capital G, you go around, and you see when you come up back, so when you go up, so, and you go so bam, bam, and cross, you have to go down back, so.
No, that well,
the common K, hold on. So what you say, the wickedest, when you're alphabet a woman in a swiping, the wickedest letter, the common K, the common Q?
Because it covered the whole perimeter.
The common Q, you say, or K?
Q, the common Q and the common K is the two very intense. So you have to be at a different level.
So Q,
right, and the common K, go to get that V there on the front, you have to kick over the sun and you have to fold up the lip a certain way.
We say dog boy. We say you have to fold up a lip a certain way.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can't bother with that man. We can't bother with that man.
I come in earlier still, but I have to go sleep because at 3 o'clock I push out, man.
Okay, me understand, but no, but
you bring in the youngster there where they attack,
Yeah.
Sometimes him funny, him thing pop up in my reel him sometimes. Him kind of funny, I go follow him sometimes.
No, hold on. Set that different. You can't say you see him thing and him funny. Fix up that.
No. I see him in podcast.
Yeah, in podcast. Yeah. Don't see him thing. Well, Raga, that dog bite. You see how them man ever ta'ali and Raga demonstrate the G there for me. Nah, you don't know what happened. You see all them, when them do them thing now with them gentlemen after this, some of them listen Raga and them say you can't do the alphabet, but you say You know your ABCs. You know your ABCs. So ladies, you say, look from this when you juggle and thing, just tell him to just do your ABC and start him out and be like, you know, A, B, C, E, F, G, stay right at G, stay right at G, stay right at G, don't move.
Don't move from G.
Yes, talk at G. You know, you drop a Q and thing, you say, yeah, we know.
You say skip and go down a S.
Yeah. I, Mr. Sir, why you stop at I? We nothing not go on.
Nothing not go on a I.
Nothing not go on a I. You understand?
No sense.
No, what you did I say no before you go now, because you have to wake up early go drive. But what you said a while ago now? You did I say something before you a while ago?
You know, me that said something for you. I know you get me now, me get me half right.
No, man, them a listen, man, because them pay attention. What him did I say a while ago, people, when I cut him off and thing? What him did I say a while? You know, turn on the what him did I say a while ago, man?
You know, say something, you know.
Yeah, man, you did I say something, man. Christina and them people in them New Jelly Pier.
I want me to tell you again. Oh, God.
No, you did that talk about Jeffrey them or something, the youth them?
No, man. Something else me never tell you, man. When I mean reason, I call it, you know.
No, you did that say.
Oh, yeah. Okay, remember now. Cause the with the something up on top of your press with this, what you call it? Just with the art and the plus. You say if the
Art me, yeah?
Yeah, the sponsorship. No, man. What is
What?
the name again?
The what?
You say you ask me have it on the YouTube one, and you say me don't think me have it on that one. What name?
Subscribe. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I that subscribe. But me not see over there, so I do nothing again.
Nah, man, don't worry yourself, man.
But
That a go on, man. Yes, man. Content I run over the same.
I mean, you not talk things. I mean, I say, yo, me a VIP person. You know, I go and so me not see that go. So
nah, man.
You forgetting that sitting there.
None. Alright, no worry yourself, man. Me tell you what to do.
No,
Yeah.
all me get forget to subscribe something. Cause me have one there, so me no mind do ya so too. Me no care.
Yeah, it the right eye bottom, man. It's
no, yeah, and this bottom thing. Me no really in that bottom thing. You know, where I say, who did the thing over your head?
No.
On the one in the left corner with the star on the circle.
With the star and the circle hold on. In the lower segment of your device.
Right, put some clothes
in the lower area of your device, you will see a star that has a circle around it and thing, all right?
So you joke that and it will come up like with your finger. You tap it with your finger and it will pop up. Oh, okay. Oh, see it there?
Well, yeah, exactly, yeah. I don't know about joking it and then your finger make it pop up.
You tap it with your finger, man.
Tap it with your finger, whatever.
And then,
yeah.
So that now I have to deal with that shop. And then tomorrow we can hear the craziness.
Yeah, tomorrow you hear the madness and the craziness too. And respect, yeah, man, and subscribe. A man like you for subscribe. We need you in the sub live them too.
No, because to me in the subscribe with Adam, I think that.
Me know, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
No, that's different from this one. So this
right. And see, Sonia said, "Juke it, yes." Sonia in I chat said, "Juke it, yes." Yeah. Before you go though, you have a gentleman over here, what they did over here, attack and whatever. And I be a trouble in mix still, you know, but I just I tell you what I'm saying, you know? Because he might align himself with one of the G over here named Chumpy, but and when you did talk and whatever, you know, before you go, I just make you know, say, Squeaky did say, yo, the one the dog bite go on like say him know everything about woman and all them thing there and him can take away your girl. That him say. Squeaky. Right. Him probably didn't want to say it as joke and thing, but I make you know say Squeaky make a tough talk against you and say a man there when him dog bite go on like him know woman and whatever, but him can take away your girl.
In name alone game.
Squeaky said
in name alone game.
What you mean?
This is the name the week, man.
I want weak name that for a man have Squeaky.
Squeaky.
Yeah.
That's loud and people want to get bite and all them something.
So basically, what you say is like, you not lower yourself to argue with no guy with name Squeaky, because that don't even sound right.
You know,
Eh?
so right.
Eh?
But you can't forget about people, you know, some have a conflict of interest. Because,
No, we talk about that separate.
will you hear about it?
Yeah, we talk about that separate. Because no, say nothing. We talk about that separate.
I forgot to figure out some
Me say don't say nothing no more. Me done hear about that already, man. But there are certain things me have to go tell you with that to half the year too. Don't worry yourself, man. All right?
Yeah, but
my Jenna.
Squeaky can't jump off a mountain or somewhere and make the squeak.
Squeaky say, Squeaky.
Can't turn squeak.
Well on. I when me do. Oh, well on. Me do back that something here. And me turn down. Squeaky say, me take for your woman. And that Squeaky say, yeah. You better feel nervous and thing here.
First, no man, I forgot one thing. So, you're going to take for something when I want you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, mind when you talk about the G, you know.
Squeaky sound like you are 5'2". Just the name alone. Everything about him sounds
I'm a general, but you don't know, you know, safety on the road with the work and things. Yeah, man, protection, man. Cool. Squeaky a style, the general are going like him one style, you know. Avalan Queen Nash ask him to do it again. Ask who for do what? Wait, when I let me go back in the chat. I would the one Avalan up to. Queen Nash, what you say you miss? Queen Nash, what you miss? Queen Nash, listen to me. You know, say you're a good behaving woman, right? Queen Nash, listen to Raga, all right? Listen to Mash Raga. Queen Nash is a good behaving woman to the point where you never ask for prefect or head girl, you know, people just get up and a give to you, you know, right? People get up and a give a prefect or head girl. You don't even need to run for the position, you know, people get up and a give, you know. So Queen Nash, you see right, you know, you have a thing when you protect your integrity, you know, and careful who you associate with, you know. So Queen Nash, hear what I say, you know. You see that's something that named peer pressure. You have to watch out for it. Queen Nash, you don't want to associate with people like Avalan. Avalan are going to lead you astray. Avalan are going to lead you astray. Avalan are very guy, you know. Avalan are going to lead you astray, Queen Nash. Don't make somebody like Avalan come broke you out, you know, Queen Nash, right? And go spoil up your good head girl, you know, your good head girl, you know, ratings where the people them give, you know, Queen Nash. All right? Wait there. Right? So, mind, man, because Avalan, you know, Avalan a bad influence, you know. Enough of the pitney them grew up in a Catholic school and whatever and all them something there. Avalan broke them out and make them go learn the something them and all them thing there. So be careful where you follow what Avalan I tell you if you do here. Just be careful. Okay. Cause fear thing no normal. Alright, me just I tell him now, alright, Queen Nash say okay, so alright. Right. Queen Nash, just be careful of Avalan and sneaky people like Avalan Raga. All I'm saying is you demonstrate the Q properly, sir. You never demonstrate nothing properly. A man mentioned say Q probably the wickedest letter when you do the alphabet, you know, the alphabet swipe and whatever. So I was just merely approximating it, right? Right? If you want to know who do it good now, you have to check like a Trumpy or a Tony Green or a Tav or them man there, you know. And them man they know the something them and whatever. Raga know them something there, right? Yeah man, Tav and them man they bad pan them thing there. You answer them I say? And Trumpy and them man there, you see it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, Squeaky running now. Me, I take out my name. Squeaky, how are you there, Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. You almost get cut.
Raga,
Wagwan.
me blonde skirt. Guess what?
What?
Hey! Word of Samantha, Raga.
Eh?
And it post me ever go on nobody live.
You lie.
Listen, I
You
swear
lie.
to God. I swear to God. I be a beat me. I get you know what time people try to get me hook up on live. I mean, no God, they must say, I wish you had over, Raga.
No, man, I feel special, you know, then, you
You
know,
are
man.
special.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, from when me I try to get on, I mean, no get on. The night when you want, we sing the song for the ex.
Yeah.
I did me that try to get on, but
From them time, they don't.
unfortunately, me never get on. You know, say, me have enough mix up, you know, but me not really get no mix up tonight. But I just want big you up, Zin.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, my from the night there, but the night them I did want to get the mix up, but me never get on, see?
No, but
So,
you can still rinse it now. Oh, you mean, then give it no.
Raga,
Yeah.
one time, you know, I'm gonna get one to mix up real quick.
Yeah.
I live at Jersey, see?
Yeah.
So anyway, I barely come on with that look me. See?
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, man, I'm from here. Somebody we know from a long time from yard. We come from the same place I yard.
Right.
Then when we come up and we end up at the same place.
Yeah.
So anyways, me move and live at Georgia. Me still live at Jersey.
Mm-hmm.
Still a bad at me. I look me from long time. I look me, and I go on like him a bad man and him wicked and rated, see?
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, me end up that one time, I did one, but there was something me did want, and him say, all right, then him a go give me the money to buy it.
Mm-hmm.
So, mind you, we live in a 2 different states now, see?
Mm-hmm.
So him send the money, come give me through Western Union or whatever, and me buy it, and I say, you know what? A long time I look me, you know, and him send on, and I could deal with the thing, so maybe, he can have my chance.
Him deserve a little boss, yeah.
Yes.
You know?
So anyway, me take up for me cross himself now. Him say I go buy me ticket for fly. We come down here. See?
Okay, yeah.
Me take up for myself now. I say, all right, him buy the ticket. I say him deserve it because him did send hands in.
Yeah.
I got the man pick up at the airport, in.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? I blame myself every day for that something that I say good for me. Because Raga, you know, say from reach that man there, I look and I see the shoes at the door, I should have turned back.
Which shoes you see at the door?
The size 6, so I look like a kid's foot, like I can buy it.
Size what?
Look like I think about 7. Size 7.
6 or 7?
No grown man not supposed to wear size 7 shoes, Raga. And I should have used that, but I never think. See? I should have used that.
Yeah.
And people mark that.
Yeah, but you don't fly from Jersey to Georgia now, and you're in at the house. And you pass the little shoes and gone in now.
And then with enough self, right? All right.
Yeah.
So we did it now, and my member say Capleton did in town. So we got Capleton.
Yeah.
And then I drink a couple of times I go on. Me not drink. So many, you know, me not go drink to get drunk now. You know.
Yeah.
So anyway, I go back at the house now and start, you know, to go on Raga.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm going to the bathroom, I'm bed. I'm come out, going to the bathroom and the bed and come out. So now me now never get a chat. Cause me love to check to see what going on, you know, but like me say, whenever in the same state or whatever, so whenever really in that situation, they know him long time, never in that situation, they be able to check out what
yeah.
Anyway, when time come to start, you know, no Raga, must have for the whole time. I lie down there. And me, I look at me and say, Jesus Christ, what is? Raga, I'm not tell you no lie, I'm not exaggerate. Just when it done, I never know what to call it, because I can't call it.
No, hold on. So you did see it before it, of course, you look on it, you see it before it go in, right? Before
Actually,
it go in and
not really, because the room did dark.
They dark?
Yes.
Okay.
So I never really see.
So, but then, sometime, so when it did in at the living room and thing, like, what was the impact? What it did feel?
No impact.
Nothing?
Nothing, Raga.
Jesus.
You can't feel something did in a Raga, but it just never make no sense. And I can't even call the instrument because I don't know what that.
So wait, it did a tickle issue?
Mr. Raga. And me fi tell you. So anyway, when it done now, and him gone in the bathroom.
When I owe him did that go on when him a do it. Him a go on like him
One piece of kill up himself and I go down.
Well, the dog go on like him a butter something down. When you say one piece of sweating him going in the Georgia eat the water. What gonna work? Your dog a work.
He must see us work him a work and not chicken him a jerk, but I'm chicken him a jerk because hey, you ever know some man where no say nothing and go on for the man and try overcompensate?
Yeah, the OD.
That thing did that, OD. You see when it's done and gone in the bathroom, I call on the whole of my friend them. To this day, I can call a friend in New York or Pennsylvania and tell them to call you and ask them, you know, we call him from this date. Every time I talk to them, they ask me when last I talk to him. Guess what his name?
What his name?
Itsy Bitsy.
What? But why you do that? Well, no, man, but why you do that? Why you do that?
Because that's what his name. If you're a big man, say, big girl, them no one.
No, man, but no, man. But you shouldn't.
Because
why?
Because him they go on like him bad.
Oh, okay. Wait, no, him did have only a tough chat.
Mr. Raga, Mr. The man I look me from get at 20 days now with that foreign and the man I look me from yard.
No, but when I ask, right? Usually if a man get for some man have to work hard for front. But we know in general, you know, a man have to put out effort to get front, right? And what woman respond to? They respond to confidence, don't it?
This is true.
Right. So what I'm saying, we have a bit of a dilemma there. I want you tell me how a man for resolve it now. Because if a man ever consider say, you know, some body not too big, so I don't want to go too hard and then go cause an embarrassment there. But if the man they go start going with where, you know, Kim Kardashian and them talk about liquor dick energy. So if him go on with liquor dick energy, you not go give him nothing. So the man, mama say, is a catch 22.
No, Raga, we have to understand, you know, it's not the size that they go on need at some time. But for him, him never did have the size that they go on the effect of the bullet, Raga.
Me know, but when me ask you, say, some man must listen, you know. So I am assuming that me gonna ask some question for them, you know. Where like, if a man I say, all right, don't go too hard and thing or whatever, cause you don't know you have a little dick already. Humble yourself, right?
Humble yourself.
Right?
Yeah.
But when I say, if a man go do that, the woman not go look upon him and whatever and this, you know, not go run it upon him. Woman respond to a man who have confidence and who self-assured.
Yeah, but sometimes you can't be too overly confident, Raga.
So he was overly confident.
Absolutely. The way the man did that go on, he did that expect there, right?
Oh,
You know
right.
And that never go on.
Why him they tell you like him gonna mash up anything? Him they
Well, he never, not really. Him never tell me I'm mash up nothing, but him just saying can't wait for hold me and rate it and all these things. You understand?
Then I put in him argument for. But me tell you something. All right, and tell me if me wrong. Right? Enough time when woman end up and say, you know, so me go test him. Is that the man conduct himself in a way where the woman reach a point where she get curious and say, I wonder if you know, me wrong or me right? Eh?
Say that again, I'm sorry, Raga.
No, me say enough time when a woman reach a point where she say, you know, so me go run it pan him and test him. Isn't it because the man lyrics run away where she reach a point where she say, you know, him did the attack. You know, so I got to give him a look around and see what I go. Because him get me curious. Not so it usually go. Not so it usually go.
Me not really fall for lyrics though, Raga.
Oh. Well, to your point, you said no. Well, him a send on and him spend money and him help me and things. So
and him a go pay for me to fly. So
fly, go down
you know,
and
whatever.
thing.
And a long time, him a try, you know. So
no, me just I said them probably them man they in a dilemma because if them not go hard with the lyrics and thing, they not get no front. But then when them go hard with the lyrics thing and then the liquor dick emerge, no, I said, yeah, what a disappointment and thing. I shame.
You know, say you have someone when I really, really and truly not have to really do nothing still.
What you mean?
They not feel work too hard, like, cause sometimes you just see some man and you just like them. And you decide they're gonna give them a chance. They not feel work too hard. You have some man who really just not feel work too hard.
Oh, because no, me know that. No, me always I tell the youth them say, listen, when if a woman like you,
All right,
you're
Raga, let me
good.
tell you.
When I always tell the youth them, I say, you see, if a woman like you, I must you do something for turn her, if I make kill her vibe, make she not bother. Because if I'm a woman like you, she gonna run it by you.
Yeah.
She gonna run it by you.
And next thing I'm gonna more and tell you, say, I know say enough of the woman them in the live, you can't agree with me. The first time I saw a man, if you will give me a no.
No, me know that. Well, not necessarily the first time, but for early out a woman know say, you know, so at some point me go run it on a man, yeah.
Sometimes the first time you see me, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
I know what the Raga they see a man, they know after I left and go back to Jersey and try to get me to come back down here again. I say, really go waste and start out by you again. I don't really tell him that still about me say it now. I go pay for your flight and everything, but I know nothing down here really when we you know, whatever. So I can't waste and that start out.
No, but you see that thing that where the woman them know early out, when me always tell the youth them, I say, when you're a woman a deal, right? You see, if she want just take off something from you or whatever, boom, you have to pay attention to see if I this or she there, if she move too smooth, because she would tell you where you want to hear and whatever to make you think you may get it, right? Because you know, woman bad pan the ambiguity.
You know, we can't do that something there, but yeah.
Yeah, but no, me I tell you, the real player woman, them bad pan the ambiguity something there. If you keep the man in a state where him feel like he may get it, but she never tell him, say, I'm going to get it, you know.
Right.
But keep him right, the same thing.
So can't hold her to nothing,
Can't hold her to nothing, because never tell him, she going to give. But then on the other side now, you see if a man can identify, you see if a man, listen to me, you see if you pay attention and you see a woman really like you like that, so I'm tell you them, you don't have to rush it. Don't bother rush it, because you are going to get it anyway.
Yep.
It just a she a wait for the right time to give. A she a wait for it. So nobody pressure. Because enough time you have woman around you like you. Enough time you think say one not lyrics woman, you know, or whatever you not get you. And true, you don't know she like you long last time, or you never know. She just never tell you, right? And then now, if you go start move certain way now, like your arbor shack and whatever, you could have turned her off and make she change her mind. And next thing you know, she say, you know, so me like him and thing and whatever, but him too, him too rushy man.
Brother, he have enough baby what there, you know. About what people not understanding that then things start bad him by me have no favor. But you don't know what. One time and because woman can't breathe the first time they get up, you know. Cause that happened to me. Right?
Yeah.
So them just feel like say maybe about you know him good or whatever. No, it's just because me draw the conclusion say once they give him, cause they not stay. So once they give him and then probably bust a breed pan them, then now go back because it start out no proper.
So them can just go and collect.
Just go on, yeah.
Oh. Well, last question. You think say sort out is important for women nowadays? Like, they amongst the reason we say, isn't it interesting that women love sort out, but them whole game is for act like it don't mean nothing for them to have leverage over you? Is that the case?
That's sort out is important. Me not get none now, but
yeah,
you can't miss what you not get. But once it's there, it's important. Like, what you gonna do? You understand? I mean, if you have somebody, what you gonna do? Just on the 200 just go down starting out and going?
Well, this is the argument where me and my brethren them have a disagreement, pan, and tell me if me wrong. Me tell them say, yeah, it's true. You know, enough time woman them want it just as much, but the whole game with woman is to make you work hard for it, so them act like so them know. But me say, but me say overall though. And me just I tell my brethren them said me wrong. But me I say overall though, sex is not that big a deal for woman as it is for man. Me wrong or me right?
It's a big deal. If you're in a relationship and no sex not in there, how that works?
No. You hear what me say?
Okay, go again. Let me
sex
listen
is
carefully.
not that big a deal for women as it is for men. Is that true or false?
Me think of false.
Okay, all right.
Me think of false because me did have somebody years ago where me like normally like if me and him in a thing in an argument, I'm a want it, me still I take it and then me vex him after that again. I know you want to start out. I know you want to start out.
No, man, I'm a friend, you know, hear me big up yourself anyway, they hear me. One time, you know, hear me sick, you know, when me tell you sick like dog, hear me I drop down, you know. And me have to say to, we have said, hear me, no man, hear me, you know, look good, you know, think you should go hospital. And she said, no, I'm good. Hear me, whatever, we have all our concern. And then hear me, I call her, man, where you there? You need to come home now, man, and whatever. And so, you know, we say she's sick and whatever, so she call her, man. And hear me, I said, no, man, you need to come home, come F me, you know what, F. You need to come home, come F me before me go sleep, man. So, when we did the whole, I was shocked and whatever. So, man, I say, hear me, you know, see I drop down, what kind of F you want F now? Hear me say, I mean sick. I know my pee sick. My pee not sick.
Exactly. Hear me, big up yourself. All right, now with you, hear me.
I mean, so me look for hear me different from that day.
All right,
nah, for real.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no, man. You see me, that would have been weird for me because me be honest. No, be honest
But
with
give
you.
me
You know.
that make me feel better.
No, not when you're sick and you drop down,
you
so.
don't know that. Maybe that will. Raga, ever notice when you got sometimes you feel sick and you got the doctor and you got the doctor, you don't even take the medication when you get your thought feel better. It's a mind over matter thing. Maybe the sort out to make me feel better.
No, but I say no. Amy was dehydrated, sick, weak out, and whatever. What kind of? Me I be honest with you, you know. Probably this a woman I got a problem with because my instinct then is to take care of her.
But maybe you're not to take care of the way you want.
No, me say me understand that, but me I tell her, me not gonna lie, my thing, me not got a thing for sort out there. Because you have some man cool, so, you know, and when them woman a drop down, they still want front and not care for them woman, you know. And me always burn out them man, me always burn out them man, they say, dog, if you bill, man.
If I hear me ask it, then still, you know, you can't too beat the man. You get what I say?
No, me get what you're saying, but me I tell you, say, me not lie. I'm gonna be that guy, be like, I don't ask you, man, I be like, me know say some man cool them way, then them no business, you know. What?
But me that was take it. Because me can't ask it, and if me not get me can still take it.
Me know, but me, you know, so the second time you said I take something there and whatever, you know, but you have to understand you have some man, me know say no for no do that something there and it's fun, but you have some man them not do it if them not want to do it, yeah. So well on, if you have a man and you are take it and talk you got truth, you ever take it from a man and still not get it? Talk it true.
Me not back up on a man there.
Jesus God, you lie, man.
No, I'm not telling a lie. Raga, let me tell you now. Anybody will know me, we tell you, you know. Me's a open because me talk it truth. If something they go somewhere, that tell you.
You never there with a man it and you take a grind from me, I take a work from him and him say no and you never get it.
I know well for body code. I know well for body code I have still.
Me know.
But few of them, yeah, no.
You never want it from any man them when you're there with still and thing and them not want it and you not get it.
Nope. Not happen yet. Me not say it can never happen, but it not happen yet.
Well, somebody said me never get rejected. A brother named Jacine say you lie, him say a lie, you tell.
Come down, tell him to come down.
Him say you lie. Let me see what them I say. Let me see over here, so. Well, let me see.
Rather pay attention to the chat like we tell you.
Nah, sometimes I mean run the show. Me know when to look over.
That's my first time for the live.
No, John, you know, me.
Hey, Raga.
Me think sometimes you not get it, but you not go. You go and like say you not notice, say you not get it.
Raga, God no, me that tell you seriously. And you go get to know me now, cause me tell you, see from me fine say, cause me never know say you dey over TikTok, you know how me know say you dey over TikTok. A Jeremy, me see a post his screen record them and me say wait, they Raga have Raga over live. And me start look here now, so guess what? I was at the gym, but put on my live, I'm up on the treadmill every evening. right?
Yeah.
And also comes, yeah, man, I come in every evening. Sometimes I got the class, them at the gym, and them not done till 7:30, so you know, so I can't come in till 7:30. This evening, them done early. So when I come in, yeah, watch the name, and Raga, you go see me all the time.
All right, let me see the name. Let me see the name. All right, then I say a word, man. You lock and seal here.
Good as, you know, who.
All right, I say a word,
Anyway,
man.
let me tell you something real quick before you go. You know which mix up, me piss up myself on the treadmill, I jump off on the treadmill.
I bet you know which one. The whole I know which one you're going to say. All I know which one.
That's the second one, because you're going to think of the rock stone one another one there.
Yeah, and a rocky one.
No,
Which one?
that made me laugh till me nearly jump off a treadmill still.
Yeah.
But the one that made me actually piss up myself was, she did that last night too. Was she afraid to come a Raga bash? What's she name?
Oh, J-Berg. J-Berg.
With the Jamaica, where she moved the current.
Yeah. Current, yeah. I moved the current.
What she say? She moved the current. Raga.
Yeah, no, that one.
I'm not telling you, no, like, I feed myself when I'm going to the bathroom. I have to jump up on the treadmill.
No,
I literally feed myself when just.
No, man, enough people love J-Berg mix up,
yeah,
man.
I like her mix up, man.
Because you see what, man, J-Berg, they just keep it real and just talk natural, you know.
Even trying to be extra or nothing.
And at that time it's funny. She wasn't trying to be funny. She just tell the story as it is.
So funny. She made me laugh. So me feel like my heart goes out to her last night. My heart break when she talk about her mother.
Yeah.
That was kind of sad, you know.
Yeah.
But anyway, I have my Tambourine radio app on my phone years ago when I go out.
Wow, foundation, man. See
I have my Tambourine radio app.
See it there.
If me watch, yo, listen, man. Me not even think I get to come a Raga bash because I have too much to go on because my daughter baby shower in August, then Jam Rock.
Oh, see.
You know, come on Jam Rock, brother?
Yeah, no, me nah go for the Jam Rock cruise. You know, I've never been on a Jam Rock cruise.
One time I see Blouse Oscar Junior gang me and him have a conversation.
Talk to him.
And you know them always, when we come off, them always give us a survey if you say, who we want to see on the cruise. You don't know, so your name will come up on me.
All right, tell him, say you want to see Ragashanti on the Jam Rock. I've never been on a Jam Rock cruise. Never been on a Jam Rock cruise.
Raga, me go up on Jam Rock, me go up on Love and Harmony. Me tell you, Jam Rock is the shit. You hear me?
Man, I've never. I would love to go on it, but I've never been.
You have to. Even if them not, like for the first time you come, sometime you have to present yourself, you know. So like say you book the trip for company cruise. Just book for company cruise if they not invite you. So that way you can come and they show yourself. You understand? I want to forget what me I say.
Yeah, but me I really do that something. You know. If me I go. If me I go, but what? No. What me I say is, you see, if me I go, I just go. Me want to go for experience.
You have to come though.
Yeah,
well,
but
anyway, we got dash your name out there still.
Yeah, man, with that forward.
I'm gonna get me charge them for, you know, when they send out the service.
You see, well, you see that John Crow in the chat about afraid of water, germs, you know, bacteria, you know.
At the same time that I give your woman a look every week.
Yeah, well, just one. Yeah, I give a cat. Well, and I'm pouring somebody come in a chat. Me just block them. And so them come over here, come more and beat up my thing, you see.
No.
Yeah, at the same time, man. Yeah.
I come give a cavi.
Yeah.
Cavi don't want nobody. I look for the Raga. No close the Raga show on.
No, man. Cavi wants somebody else. She just not realize it, you know. When Cavi get the right man and things, she go say, Raga, who that? When she under the strength of a new man, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
so you think. So that's what you think.
So
let me tell you this, Kevin, not joking.
You know much people, yeah.
Kevin, not joke.
Yeah, I see him with the woman them say, you know, when them write me and thing, I say, Raga, we have woman, we tell you, Kavi serious. And, you know.
Serious, Raga? Because from the time Kavi I look you, if Kavi did a joke, Kavi that been tell us a joke, she make the Raga. Kavi, and the way Kavi talk, and when you try talk, Kavi talk over, and no matter what you try to cut it out, Kavi make your nose say straight, say.
No,
she wants
yeah.
out.
And she's the type of person to, you can't tell, she keep it under it, she don't like you.
Exactly.
Yeah, she don't like you, she don't like you. So, no.
Kavi, she said she want to give you 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
I don't know, I think I can manage Kavi, you know. I'm a good behaving boy, you know what I'm saying?
All right, Raga, I don't want to hold up too much time because all my people want to come to the chat there.
All
I'm
right,
glad
then
me
big
get
up.
you, Raga, but listen, watch out for the name, they may have a big D
Hold
mix up too.
on, let me see. Hold on, may I follow you? Oh, me
No,
can't
no,
see.
follow me.
No, hold on, let me see something. I can't do it for me. So, oh, yeah, see it there? All right, me just
All right.
follow you here, so.
All right, blessings.
Yeah, man, Lincoln thing did it. All right, then.
They have
Blessings.
more mixed up, but we chat, so take
Next
care.
time. All right,
Love you,
man. That's
Raga.
it. Blessings, man. Cool, man. See, you know.
Take me down. Let me come down now.
All right. Watch me. I take you down. You ready for come down?
Yes,
You ready
sir.
for come down? All right,
Yes,
then.
sir.
See, Raga bring you right down.
All right.
See. What you Tav, me think say me a set on, Tav a real set on, you know, him afraid of Kavi. Yeah. Yeah. People, people, I just want to remind you, you know, all of the show them when I do over here, the whole of them over YouTube, full show. Remember, say you can't post more than an hour over here, and people over here not match nothing for an hour anyway. So, but the whole of the show them, all of the full show them over YouTube, where? TamFam TV. Over YouTube, where? TamFam TV. That's the name of the channel. So here what I want the whole I want to do right now, if you don't do it here. I want to make a quick jump, go over YouTube and subscribe to the channel. And remember, subscribe over there is equivalent to follow over here. So nothing you have to pay. You have to pay for subscribe over here. But over there, subscribe is follow. So you go over there, you just subscribe and you click the bell and you subscribe and click the bell. So I want all I want to just take a second. 1,400 and add on there, all right? Just take a second. Go over YouTube, put in TamFam TV. Good as she do it already. TamFam TV and subscribe. See the dark chocolate says she do that years ago. And I just want to know not only all the shows when I do over here, the full show them over there, but Ragashanti content go way back from Jamaica days, them over there too. So you just go over there right now, just take a second, go over YouTube, don't lose this, time where you're there, so, and just go to TamFam TV and subscribe to the channel, all right? Over there. And again, there are hundreds and hundreds upon hundreds of Ragashanti shows over there for the enjoyment. See? TamFam TV over YouTube. Go over YouTube, TamFam TV, all right? Let me see if we now go over there and do it. So just go over there and subscribe to the channel. Let me see if we now go. Says, yeah, we'll not go over there. Somehow not go over there for true. Mad thing. All right? Even if the show done, I can't go do it. But again, YouTube, TamFam TV. Tons and tons of Ragashanti content over there, see? And just subscribe over there and thing. All right, big up on yourself. So what upon what? Long distance mix up, long distance relationship mix up. What is whatever I say? Raga me I listen you from shout out Red Pan Massive in a Spanish town. Mad love. Big up yourself, man. I say a word, man. You know, say, we are stalwart in this, Second back, I'm a good man. She just Leo Tours, big up yourself. You just subscribe to TamFam TV over YouTube. Pretty Girl 3C3. All right. Hello. 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 Well, let's go through, see who we can.
Go.
There, you wake up.
Yeah.
And I know, so we bring you up a while ago, but you did a sleep, dog.
Yeah, man. You know what I link you though?
No.
Yeah, man, you're chef, man. At such location. Cross on your workplace by yesterday.
Oh, cooler man. What going on, my G?
I'm there, man.
You still there?
You know what I'm
Oh, ele go there, so.
Look at this, man.
See.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? You don't know me normally jump on for your thing every now and again, see, but a while ago, me come upon it and me say, what your name, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
And thing, you know, so me I say, yo, kind of catch a look at last part of the conversation.
Yeah.
But, yo, some things me agree with. Some way I say, because me's a man where we in the street certain way, there's certain code and thing where you don't know where we work with. This is me as a industry youth and thing. But
Well on. Tav, stop spam the chat, man. All right, go on, talk here. Yeah.
yeah, man. But me I say, with the Chrissy interview, right?
Yeah.
Because he talk about the, you know, people are bash you and people are bash him and, you know, certain things. But at the end of the day, just like you clarify it when you say, you know, everybody have their own perception. Some people are gonna be hypocrite as well.
Yeah.
You see me? But to me, I think the Chrissy interview, you see me? I think it kind of look a bit, you know, it has set a precedence for youth where, you know, younger generation are looking a certain way like, you know, like there's no more way to certain things that I might view that towards it. You get what I say? I say like, me twins of twins, man twins of twins, they do an interview and twins of twins I say, boy, it's like back then when I grew up, there was a type of a shame punitive measurement or punishment or degrading thing towards certain things. So it's like if you even do want to do certain things or say certain things in the public, it's like, you know, you always think about the disgrace with me come with it.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I say? So it's like with interview like that, no, like it take away, you understand, certain morals.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I say? Certain shame, certain things will come with just coming out aloud and just saying certain things. Not that you're against it, you know. But where I say, yo, it's like the platform is like, it kind of different from your one because upon your thing, you know, it's like a whole heap of thing we say upon it, you know. But at the same time, there's a lot of things we can learn too. You get what I say? But with the Chrissy one now, it's like, me I get from it more like, it's a, like, it's just too outrageous to me. That's how me think. So me like not put you. Go ahead.
They say you're like what?
Like you not put you and theme thing in the same categories, same way. Forget a strength and theme thing, same way.
No. That was what he was doing. You know. In fairness to him, that was what he was doing. He was merely saying that when it come to, well, right, consistent with what you're saying, he was saying that when it come to exposing certain things that's happening in the shadows, like exposing it and putting it out there, he's saying that you know that there are some similarities there and there are some parallels there, but him never did I say, you know, my program and your program was similar, we in the same vein and thing like that, but he was referring, you know, primarily to, you know, why in the darkness I come out in a light. That's what he was saying. That's where he was. And on one level, you're right. There's a lot of things now that people accept that before people used to condemn it. And then for everybody, them have some understanding of how far is too far. So some people think like, yeah, things change, but me not consider it too far. Why somebody else will say, yeah, things change, but it gone too far and thing. But because, you know, and for those, a lot of people listening down right now and them don't know what the Chrissy interview is. Basically, the interview did I normalize certain things where most Jamaicans would have said, no, sir, you know, that gone too far. you know, them basically a talk about that you refer to, right?
Yeah, cause at one point she always say, yo, she dash her belly like, she say like, I don't want to put no number to it and tell no lie on her, but like she say, yo, she dash her belly how much time already, and you know, like it was just okay for her to just say that, so without, you know, no farmer, you know, no disgrace behind it, or you know, no, there's no reason for her to feel bad about that because she living her truth and whatever. But the thing when we look on, you know, anybody can live their truth, you know. And anybody can live their life and be, you see me, freaky if they want to be freaky. I feel think that. But it's like, what me I look upon is that upon the members of the internet, you know, is a space where
all right, hold on. Are you against abortion?
if I'm against abortion,
Yeah.
it all depends. Not necessarily, I'm not going to say yes, I'm not going to say no, because it all depends on the circumstance. You understand?
So there are some, so what is it that in extreme circumstances you can understand it, but then in general,
Exactly.
Outside of that you don't agree with it, right?
Exactly.
Okay, all right, then good. And then to hear her being honest about how many she has had and things like that, and was seemingly nonchalant about it, you think that was disturbing, right?
That's exactly my point.
Okay, all right.
You understand?
All right, so we understand that point, and I'm sure there are other people who share the same sentiment that you do. What about the argument that on the other side, though, where some people would say, listen, a lot of women are having abortions for multiple reasons, some of them medical, some of them trivial, or whatever, but abortions are out there, and you know, and I just want to make it known that I do it, and me not shame it or whatever and thing like. What about that other side though? If we say, yo, part of the reason why, you know, there's this big deal about it is because people are hide it because of the stigma associated with it. So me not gonna hide it. What about the argument then?
Well, that wasn't the notion, that wasn't the message that me did a grasp on it personally. But in that sense, you would have a strong point. You understand? But at that, you know, at that time, you understand, in question, it wasn't heading down that line. You understand? So the argument wasn't inconsistent with what you are saying right now.
All right.
You understand?
All right. One other question. Mm-hmm. Do you have a problem with a woman who would say something like, "Hey, I'm gonna have unprotected sex. If I get pregnant, just have an abortion"?
That's what I say. I would have a problem with that because you know why? Okay. As I said, the media, the space, right? Mm-hmm. And it's like, remember, you have a little sister come. All right, even me and you out there in the street and do certain things, and you have a little brother or a little sister come after you. You wouldn't want them to be exposed to certain things. You understand? You still try to protect them. You get what I say? Somewhat, until they reach in a certain certain headspace or a certain age group where they can, you know, monitor themselves certain way or whatever. So me I say, based on her age group and thing, or the demography, the things one thing she put out there is like she basically has set the precedent. Sometimes, you know, we feel like so we as media people as media personnel, like even, you know, some of the entertainer them, you know. Them feel like say at one point when Cartel was the young Cartel, you know. You get what I say? He was like saying that, yo, him not responsible for a parent where raise them child a certain way and then the child end up listening certain music and whatever. Like it must basically say no responsible. You get what I say? But as a public figure, you have a certain responsibility. So she get the platform you know, and Jeffy have the platform you know as a youngster. Me not think certain things. Me think there's still a limit. And that's what I am saying. But that's my perception. Me can't wrong and me can't.
Okay, all right. That's your point. Okay.
You get what I say?
Okay.
But I think that the interview that they go too far. It made them use a word now what they say mockers. Me think she go on a mockers level with the podcast. You get what I say?
Okay.
So when him now come on now tonight, I make some little comment on anything on one of the something when they have up and make some comment, but it's like it never really gone away. But I'm glad when I come see him on your thing. I'm glad him probably my listen now. More make him know as a youngster, because we are street youth same and we do things in the street and we out there same. You get me I say? That's not the problem.
Right.
But me I say, use the platform on a better level, brother. The way how Christian come on the platform and I make some things normalize, me not like that.
All right.
Yeah, me not rate that. I'm see enough people I look out on it same way too. And you get me I say? So we basically know when me hear you say, yo, if man gonna open at the tree and thing, all of them look analogy that we are use is right. If the car not gonna away, the dog not gonna chase after the car. You understand? All of them analogy is right. But at the same time too, remember, there's a diversity in the world where people are gonna have for them own notion and for them own perception and for them own views about certain things. So the people who say me not like it, don't bash them and make it look like say, yo, you know, like them a try to tear down a person or whatever. Sometimes it's just like them a look out for, as I say, the platform, the internet is a space where a whole heap of people, young and, you know, we don't call it weak-minded people out there. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
That are going to be influenced by certain things and things, and certain things is just, you know, get what I'm saying? Just right. It's just right if your girl have 10 man and just a woman. It's just right if your girl just go out there and all of them look at something that's a youngster.
Okay. Let me see what you
So it's like,
right.
there's no more morals again, brother. Like, there's no more substance. Me and you know, say, yo, we do certain things, you know. I'm going to speak for myself. There are certain things I do, but there are certain things I still now come out there, go put out there on the internet and things. Better me and my virgin, me have a one virgin and I go so I reason with her. You understand? One family member you can reason with certain way and you get what I say?
All right, Papa. Me hear what you say, man. Right, well, you present your perspective on it, and
What
like you
is your
say,
perspective?
What
is your perspective?
No, well, no. You see, it's one of them subject matter there where it have multiple layers, so we could end up spend the rest of the show upon it, you know. Okay. I think, you know, but you know, she expressed herself, she put it out there. And then, like you say, on one side, people are like, yo, you know, you appear to be normalizing something that, you know, it's a no-no and it gone too far. And there are others who, you know, will perhaps argue that, hey, you're shocked about this. This is going a long time. All it is just been putting it out in the public,
and
you know?
That's the thing. It's not about if it's been there all this time, you know.
No. I know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. But anything I said to you, it can. I'm sure it's going to trigger like another layer to the issue because it's one of those. Yeah, it's one of those subject matter. It's as you know. I don't need to tell you this. You know that the abortion issue is one of them things there. You know. So we could spend the rest of the show and talk about it and debate it and thing. But I mean, you presented your case though competently and you were articulate in doing so. So the point is made there. You know. See.
But me there still go on, you know, go on pray things still and just, you don't know, big up man, you don't know, you see me?
Mad thing, man. That's our word, man. Protection, man. See?
Blessings, God.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, man, the abortion issue there, you know. I don't know. It's one of them things that were pepper, you know. Whole heap of layers to it and thing, all right? Well, wind down to the Shanette, we go down. Well, wind down in the thing and whatever. Well, wind down in the thing. Yeah. I do remember, you know, tomorrow is a full sub-only, sub-broadcast, all right? Full subscriber-only broadcast and thing. And me I go start it, you know, but I didn't want to start the sub them around 7, but I may start them around 6, you know, like as usual, all right? But again, people remember, this show, generally, it's Mondays to Thursdays. Mondays to Thursdays from, you know, 6 o'clock till 9, and sometimes we go later like I'm doing right now, right? Mondays to Thursdays. On Fridays, most Fridays, not all, we're going to be doing sub only, where it's a subscribers over here for them. And again, the sub only shows, they are very adult in nature. People speak freely. You can come in with regular mix up in the sub them too. But again, I let people speak freely in the subs. And then I also share premium exclusive content from the outer order years. For those of you familiar with outer order, I want to know what that is about. So, you know, and then sometimes I'm going to do this regular show, but me have a sub only live after for like an hour or two and thing. But on Fridays, the sub only live, you know, is a full show. And you don't have the regular show like this where everybody listening. It's just a full show with the sub only. So you have to be a subscriber. I just want to big up all of the subscribers then, because, you know, like I said to them, I have goals with this, right? The first goal is 1,000 with the 400 I had, so and thing. And the idea is to provide good content for you, you know, to enjoy and to learn from, and to be different from the regular content in some ways. There are some other things we're going to do, particular for the third. I've added a third tier sub, you know, and that one is, you know, the regular sub is like $5.99. Then you have the second tier, which is $9.99. And I just added a third tier, which is $19.99. Right, and that is based on some requests for some people make in terms of the perks and thing, and I'm going to add some other things to it. All right, so feel free to subscribe so that you can enjoy the sub only live them thing. All right, but I want to go fling with them on a Jet 2 holiday. Yo, that's something that we are going. It's funny as hell, man. That you refer to, right? The jet sitting, right? You know, where something crazy happened to somebody, but them have this ad we are playing at the background with it. It's something that we are trending on the internet right now. It's pretty, oh Jesus. Lord, people brace on themselves. Problem you know, people. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Ratty, it don't look like she knows she up, you know. I wanted the ANC then. Them soon text her and tell her she up, man. What chance? Because them watching our group, you know, and them text one another in them WhatsApp group. Several people do this. Them soon text her, man. I'm waiting. Because I know them a text her right now and tell her she up. Unless she not look on her phone. Naki B.
Hello.
No, man. CBS text you and tell us you're up now. Man.
Hello.
CBS,
Hi, what's up?
CBS text you and tell us you're up now. So you're the up now.
So hold on. Oh, you know, some never that wait. Yeah?
Nah, you never did that way, because you come in and we hear you and look good and look a pop down singing and all them something there. You have a clue saying it up. Yeah. Watch out. Oh, at the cheap phone, we should have it, just cut her off. To take time with her, people. She use one flip phone, you know. All right. She probably soon come back in and thing. And then again, she not used the phone, you know, because she probably had mute herself there and turn idiot and don't even know if she come back in, right, you know. She mute? When I say she mute?
Raga, you not hear me?
No, we are here, you know, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Right, so since me on, talk about can I say something about the man we just called just now?
Yeah. Oh, you say since you're on. Since.
Yeah.
So was it your intention to be on? So if it wasn't your intention to be on, there's no way you were intentionally waiting, as you implied just now, right?
So we are worried about all of that for me to kind of like.
No, but I'm just affirming to people the characteristic deceit that is endemic to the personalities that comprise the ANC.
And if you got affirm the G with the finger, the way I put the finger up
Wait a
on it.
minute.
Now we are
No,
listen.
you know what? You know,
When I'm on, know if you got the
you
chant,
don't
that's
worry
when you
about
have
the
to go
G. You
affirm.
don't worry about the G in the alphabet and whether or not I can
And
do it.
what? Look how
I
you do
don't
it
know.
good too.
I mean, never do not no good. Go ahead. I mix. I don't want to mix up Miss Cherry Boy. I mix. I don't want to mix Miss Cherry Boy. So, yes. So,
Anyways, Raga,
yeah, yes. But the gentleman just know.
the gentleman before,
Yeah,
I understand where it's coming from. I understand both sides of the coin, right?
yeah.
So my thing is, if it's not for you, it's not for you. If you find it that uncomfortable, why are you there and you're the kind of people I'm chat to criticize it and da 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 da? Are you actually excited that him come over Paraga come talk so you can't actually, expound on it or whatever? Why do all of that? If something is not for you, you leave it alone. You understand? I have kids, and I don't want my kids them to be exposed to certain things, but it's not really my want. It's just the way our society is. So we have to kind of like go around that and stuff like that and try and maneuver where we expose or control in our control, what is in our control, right? Also, not everything need fee. I know every program, every song, every day. I think a lot of people just forget when say them the young, then they listen to the cartel, then they listen to the lady saw them, they listen to all of these people. But as we
No,
get
no, no,
older
but
now,
no, but
everybody
hold on,
want
but
to
hold on,
be.
no, no. But his central point was, if something like this is on the internet, it's going to reach the ears. By the way, me to get the same thing too. The two main thing them used to beat me with all the while. Oh, it's not uplifting. What about the children, right? And then another one. But his central point, what do you think about his central point though, was saying, no, just having this type of content on the internet is normalizing something for impressionable minds in a way that can be destructive for society. What do you think about that point?
Uh, okay, the age range that would even start thinking about stuff like that, it's good that they're being exposed to certain things. You cannot shelter them kids here that much these days. They're going to hear it outside and stuff like that. And for that content, a certain kind of age range should not even be in earshot or listen to that program. So that you as a parent supposed to monitor where your kids them hear in a your surrounding again in a your control. It's on the internet. Maybe if them go to the door and listen to it, that's a whole different thing. But at the same time, again, we cannot control every single thing. I don't agree with it, everything what the girls say. But I do agree with some of the things them, and it was a very entertaining and interesting conversation. You understand? He chose to come out and say those things. Is it happening? Absolutely. But if you don't like it, you just don't like it. I don't want my daughter to hear them stuff there. But in my surrounding, she's not gonna be exposed to that. You understand what I say? So like I said, I understand his point. I understand, but at the same time, you just can't have everything clean. You can't have every show on the internet clean and holy and solely, and every church music and every positive music. I mean, there's diversity in every single thing, and we just have
Right,
to
right,
understand
right.
what we like, what we don't like, and just navigate that. Sometimes some things I say, I mean, like, let me just come off here a little bit and go about my business and come back. It's as simple as that. You understand? But
Right.
instead, the whole program, the gentleman, whole program should be about the what about the parent? What's the responsibility of that parent? Our parents know if you know say control your kid, control where you give your kids them access to and stuff like that. So we cannot blame artists for everything, and we are some things are just for adults. That's just it.
Right, 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 right,
So
right,
I
right.
understand it because, like me say, me know want my daughter hear them stuff there, and she would not be a role model. I want to my daughter, but then again, I might want that my own kid role model. So it's like you have to kind of groom them a certain way I'm gonna tell my kids, and listen, you see, you gonna hear certain things outside the road, but it no means if you do it and say it because
Right,
there's adult things and there's kids things, and means you're not gonna expose to it. You know what I mean?
right,
So
right, right.
and then look on all the past up in them and them sitting there grew up sheltered. They grew up sheltered and then them bad lakayas because they were so sheltered that when they get exposed they run away like water. You understand?
I
It's just
mean,
a
when I'm
balance.
here, my I have an Xbox right there. I don't play it. My kids, whatever. But when I'm doing the show, I tell Zion, I say, you can't really stay here, So which part me there do the show, me make him and whatever, me set up him thing, him get him food, him have him tablet, him have this and that. But him can't stay here, so when me have them, so that's me parenting. You understand what I say? To be
Exactly.
consistent with your point, Yeah,
We have to take accountability for what we do as parents. We can't just blame everything on government and blame it on artists and when me drive a lot. When I drive and I say, I don't want to hear no, I mean, God, you know what I mean. I'm just saying, I don't want to hear church music all the time. But want to hear some cartel and some mix and some Ray and give me a little vibes to go through my dear. Or I love music, and I said, I don't want to hear it music all the time. You understand? But if it keeps them in the car now or whatever, then that's a whole different situation or whatever,
right,
So
right.
me understanding point, but Lord man thing, I make a man run him thing. Simple. And if you don't like it, just don't go over there and come on other people's platform. I come say, oh, you're glad same thing over here and stuff like. So you so vested in something that you don't like. Make it make sense.
Well, okay. Okay.
Point.
Okay. All right. And what else is going on with you
All right,
then?
absolutely nothing.
That's it. That's it. Say no more. Say no more. People, you hear it out of fear mouth, right? Me say, what else is going on with you? She say, absolutely nothing. Nothing now go and fear otherwise, as is the case with all of the ANC, them like
Make
herself
it
and
stay
thing.
same
She
way.
said, absolutely nothing now go and fear whatever this and that. I left on to BBW Trini here, where BBW Trini say, she got discipline some of the Jamaican woman and thing and whatever. I left on to BBW Trini here. Nothing now go and fear. That's how you think then. What Kimberly has. You know see what Kimberly say? Nakibi, you know see what Kimberly propose? Raga a worry about the cabana war. You know say Kimberly, you in a detention. You in a detention. Kimberly, you in a detention.
No, frettings enough here, frettings you go out with enough. Fire announce the party. You want to know what we are doing? Cabana war this and you go conjure up charm. Fight poor charm. Hi charm. Listen, it's okay. Do your thing, Raga. Cause you over there big. If you even invite dog bite or you even if you accept dog bite by your team, you know to say you struggle.
Listen to me. I want the whole honor to be happy with Squeaky Pan phone team, all right? Be happy with Squeaky Pan. I'd rather take that dog bite there for my team or whatever. We bring dog bite for counter. We don't not plan with Squeaky over there. That me I tell you. Yeah, that's why we bring in dog bite and thing. Right? Since people are look out for people or whatever, we are look out for dog bite, all right? And Squeaky the pound the team.
We don't like freebies. We
What?
don't like
No. See what?
freebies. We don't.
Look what Squeaky posting in the chat. Me I go save them. Bomb! Squeaky say
Listen,
Squeaky say I go save you no. Yeah.
Raga, you notice our ANC still, we don't like nothing popular. We don't like nothing popular. We're very unique, okay? So just mind what you
No,
say
me
here.
never
Mind
noticed
who you,
that. Me
mind
never
who
noticed
you
that. Me
associate
never
with,
noticed that.
okay?
Me
Thank
never
you.
noticed that. Cause all I style Squeaky down. Style Squeaky down. I
What you want
disrespect
to
you,
say?
disrespect Squeaky down.
What you say, sir? Are you
Yeah, man,
saying
yeah,
not me?
disrespect. You know,
It
say,
came from your mouth, didn't it?
what? He come from what?
What it come from?
You know, say, I'm used to talking to you and give you the bait them and make you take them, but you not take that bait yet today. You know, me know.
I've been time in a raga.
I say, yo, good, nah, take your bait today. Yeah, whatever, you know. Because the last time, you know, when me have bait, you know, you fight it, you know, man, me fight it. I mean, never mind, me say, me have to go put her in a catch-22. Me want, if she go right, she get knock. If she go left, she go knock. Whenever when you have defense CBS, you know, whatever, you fight it, you know, you want to hear you come board. Yo, but it wasn't frying, it was saute. No, well, hey, you did put up a good fight with that one, you know, because me never did I go down the saute rabbit hole with you, you know, me hold my heart and I say me keep her right in the middle. Well,
If you're over there and worry about time and burn up, you cannot cook.
what?
Me say if you worry about time and burn up, there's no point in that time where a time supposed to burn up. You cannot cook raga. You and your fathers, them over.
Well on. You didn't hear me say me a big cook?
No, you're not,
Oh,
sir.
so
You're
what's
not
your
saying it,
point?
but you act
But
like you know
no,
about
you saying you cannot cook is like you say raga you cannot cook. That's like saying I don't know. That's like saying
sir, stop it.
no, but even when me broach the matter to your charging, me say me and a big cooking also. I'm gonna ask you something simple. Tin mackerel, that me say. So all you try to fix everything and I go around the thing.
I'm telling you.
No, but
Listen.
hold on. But you keep restating the obvious, and the point is, even somebody like me who cannot cook. I'm sure you kill yourself. You know, somebody like me who cannot cook would never put in the time at the same time with the garlic and the onion and thing. You know, shame what you just say. You know, some cannot cook,
You know
and me would never fry the time, right? Right?
Why
Right?
stick to recipe
That's
thing.
why Alien say una the bun time crew. You understand?
That's fine. We're still ready for you again. You
No,
know where
me
yourself.
talk like Alien right now. Go on, crown at the bun time crew. Yo, but hold on, do me have to tap me. Nah, lie, do you know? All when the show done, people I say, yo, you know, said I drive by there when Mama Ants make a one terrible drive by, you know, man. Hey, that one the body, you know, man. Hey, that one the slap where Alien put in, you see when I know she say. No, you're not here. No, man. Let me tell you when I done thief already. Because I done announce it already. Right? You see that thought there when Mama Ants make. Run up and come get done up. Bombard, yo! You don't have no choice with that. Me done wrap that and put that in my pocket and my backpack all both. Me and make copies of it and put it all over so I have access to it and whatever. So, me done thief that already. I went.
No, it's thief over there.
No, I went Mama and said, January, say, Alien, I lose if I send the dope if it's. Yo, that one that is bad, man. No, hey, man, I tell her, don't play with Natasha. She look like she angel or whatever. Natasha roll out wicked, you know, I don't know, normal, you know. I don't know the normal, man. When me hear that one, that thing, I said, no, I want to kick with alien foot wicked, you know. I want to kick with alien foot proper, man, or whatever. You see. Anyway, I saw it. We still have plan doing a cabana wars and thing. I don't think no worry yourself.
Business that to the camp plan all no ones. Never not to start. Plan free if you make it up. The loser them always a load up their mouths.
No, we can make it interesting, you know. If you want big some like cartridge paper or something or whatever, we can't. But you need some ponal glue or something, cartridge paper or something for kind of like, you know, kind of prep up on a thing there.
You're all in the
Oh, you mean the old school of ponal glue? I'm telling you, I'm an old man, you know. No, I carry my car in the back, you know. And we are back, we're going right now, you know. You know, remember ponal glue and cartridge paper, what we do when we in at school?
Yes, when time come for the book them, you wrap your book them and them, see me, you get your glue and scissors and sitting and wrap on the brown paper on it and sitting.
You know, so them not wrap book up, yeah?
They don't do nothing like Jamaica up
And them
here.
not do that. When they're Jamaican, you have to wrap all of your book them for protect them and think, boy. Those were the days. Those were the days. Those were the days.
Just over here, my kids them a go school and me I feel say, so where book there? Where book list there like? They only get book, a peer paper then get down there. Peer paper, print out, waste paper.
No, man. So my school, them all, I book them in a tablet now. What do you? They book them
Now
in a
that's a
tablet, you know.
foolishness.
Yeah. What do you think? It's not a great. What do you think? Picking for your turn leaf? Eh? Our phone, our flip phone. Our phone coming like our head. As we in a Jamaica say, go and come. Yeah.
Even the book, you need to have book. Them need to have book. When you read, like how we used to read at school, and repeat it and write one line 10 times until you get it and understand it and your brain process it. If in them brain now process nothing.
You know,
Yeah.
6 hours and a half dozen of the other at the same time. Them, you know, the things where we know, like outside survival things, way better than them when we were for them age, you know. But in terms of just information, them we are ahead away than we were at their age, you know. Because at a generation that them in, at a age that them in, you know.
The smartest set of kids ever. Like they're smart in a one way, but they fool. They don't know basic things, and I'm like, oh, special bad.
Yeah, some common sense thing beat them more time, you know. Some
Yeah.
survival thing beat them more time. I'm struggling with my kids them with it. It's like some little thing I say, what I do, you know. and if last thing, do you find so them kids just softer than we when we did grow up? See our phone.
Can you kindly add one of my sisters? She's in the chat. You know, if you don't mind, let me pull over here because this is about to get interesting. Can you please check for me? Thank you.
What you say what?
One of my sisters is in the chat. If you don't mind adding her.
Add her? What you mean? Add?
Yeah, she not there in the chat. She there in the box.
Oh, in the box?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, no, she's not in the. Oh, see, yeah. Okay. Well, probably for your phone work.
Sis.
Yeah, she's in it. She's in there. She's up now. Yeah.
CBS.
Hello. Oh, she just get cut off. Look, I'm gonna bring her up on her phone. On the phone, the two on the phone now work. Something like on the phone not too wonderful. Yeah. All right.
It's okay.
All right.
First function, and that's it.
Yeah, man. Are you still living in that swamp region where you are?
Anyway, you put me for live, then me live.
It was just a simple question, nothing for animosity or whatever. It's just like
Anywhere you put me to live, I'll live there. That's where I reside.
Okay.
A swamp it is, that's fine.
Yeah. People, there's no shame in our game. It's all right. Most of her neighbors, they're alligators, but that's all right. At least there's some place, I think, and it's all good. Nice talking to you today, okay? All right?
See, I love you guys. September 20.
Ragabash van them case. Oh, you mean?
All right, bye.
All right, boo-boo. Blessings, man. Cool. People, my birthday party, September 20th, Ragabash at the Amazura in Queens. I'm going to hold on to come out and come enjoy yourself. And people, it's a festive, it's a nice, it's a jiggy, it's a proper and thing like that. And we're going to have a wonderful time. Good music. It's a grown and sexy affair. So make sure it's on a beard. Soap up 2 times, soap up 2 or 3 times and thing. Put on some nice clean clothes. You can come cheap and clean. Wherever you have Don't just come no pop down where when I want a body and no jeans and you down your knee back and all them something there and whatever scene. Come out and look clean and neat. That is the event that it is. Yeah. See the top tier terrorist on for you is Detal. You know it's a Jamaican attack to you, you know. When you hear somebody say something about Detal, when you hear somebody say something about feral compound, when I hear people talk about them something, you know, say a Jamaican attack to you from old school and all them something there, you know. So Detal down on the body and thing and whatever and thing and just come out nice and clean and smell good and nice and you know you can hug up anybody because your thing up and turn up, see? That's it there. Yeah? And just forward carbolic soap and thing, clean off the dust off on the skin and whatever. All I want to know be with 2 and 3 soap. Send on the night there, you know. Yeah. And just come out, you know, make sure some of the clothes, you know, neat up and thing because you know so by touch. You know, at 2 o'clock we not go dance out of that door and whatever and sweat up that and all them thing there. Alright. Big up on yourself, man. Ragabash, my birthday party, Saturday, September 20th at the Amazon in Queens. Get your tickets and things. See? Everything. Chasing said Detal selling a TikTok shop. Detal selling a TikTok shop. You know, Detal selling. What? Alien, what happened?
Nah, no close, Raga. Big up to you, yeah.
Blessing,
TamFam.
yeah.
I'm afraid that nobody.
Wait.
Me there to tell everybody. Me not afraid that nobody, Raga.
Yeah, run. What you say? Run the cartel from them. Okay. Oh, you mean Alien? Make them know, yes.
Thick skin and broad back.
That's right. Okay, you're not afraid of no people. Boy, mama and stick it to you doing a Alien, me not lie, you know.
What? Raga them have to come in a gang. Yeah, bother with the gang bang.
Okay, a gang, them have to fight, you know. Them only bad in a crew, don't.
Yeah, so you know, so one of me right and a stretch me, so one of me left and a stretch me, so one a thump me in the back, one a kick when me foot. Oh, me fi balance, Raga.
I show, man, I show. Difficult to balance this. One by yo, you see that video that we are go around with the girl who are war with some people and them down at the bottom of the hill and them a call her for come down and she nah come down there and she say, hey, I want to fight you know one by one and when him name the make one song about it. I say one by one. Who see it? Some people have said it bad man.
Yeah man, me love the one thing and then you will see who are the better one, the better one we tell.
Okay. Cause them gang, cause mama aunts come with a punchline there and go chat about a Lucifer send the dope if you try sort you out, you know. Me say when me hear it, me get bringly, you know. Me nah lie.
And then me cuff man and say drunk from about a peach.
Eh? And what?
Me hear like what you said to the lady, say you hear them a call up and you just say drunk crow.
Yeah man. I just entertainment, I just a vibes, you know, Alien, you know, ain't good though.
Next one says she want pink flight to curl up in a milk like a double up.
Yeah, at the same one, Mama Ann said, and Tasha, she is a pink flight for like bend up and thing and this and that and way. But you know, she's a pink flight, I pressure them. I want them to call up pink flight names, so, right? Pink flight, I bother them. Jealousy. Yeah.
Kill them.
Jealousy and thing. Because the one will just come off, you know. 11 vibrator she have, you know, 11.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Naki be 11 vibrator she have, man. She will tell you, say 11 she have. Somebody always, I said to her, I said, then get one more, make it dozen and done. No, she said, just 11 she want and thing, you know.
And she have 11 vibrator, 11 man that, you know.
Yes, well, I live a man job, no, yeah.
No have no head, no hand, no foot, no eye, no mouth, and 11 man she have.
11 man she have, you know. Yeah, that's what she did. And she come a style with her look one man when him pink fly. Bright, she bright, no.
Bright, she bright.
Yeah.
Raga,
Eh?
you see why I talk about phone number? Who she?
The lady where what?
Why me number and blah blah blah? Who she?
No, I think she just want to say hi to you.
Oh.
Yeah, no man, she cool, man. She cool.
Oh,
Elaine, you're a star, you know, I'm with you. These things happen, you know, yeah.
You know, I'm a poor celebrity.
Well, yeah, you know, you're a celebrity for a Raga show. Okay, all right. You're a celebrity for a Raga show, okay.
Sometimes in this time, you have to just think twice, you know, because when me did young,
Yeah.
it's rough, but now it's rougher. Understand me?
Yeah.
You know, mix up. You understand?
Oh, you're not running.
No. You understand what me I say, but me's what you da call it? No, me staying on my lane, you know.
Seeing.
My radio, my friend, and social media people like you, and you understand me? The talk show what?
Yeah.
Really, we are friend, you know, but when me can't talk to.
Yeah.
Because Raga, if me and you say one time who can cook, you know, and me and you pick up now and them something there. One time cool thing not fi come up, you know. Then we just deal with what we kick off about. You understand what I mean?
Seeing.
Yeah, them thing them me depend because when me young, me never in a mix up and now me old. Me no want go say me did say. You understand what I say? So me just stay in my little lane and just want to me.
Right. Somebody in the chat said tantalizing. She said you sound hungry.
Oh my day.
She named tantalizing. She said you sound hungry.
No tantalizing. Guess one of my sister cooks stew pork and food kind today. Me eat before 5 o'clock. Yeah. Yesterday she go out with her friend and she carry Chinese food for me. Right. You know what me do, Raga? She did 2 piece for her birthday Monday. Sunday was her birthday, the 3rd. And me not really love stew peas, but guess what me do now? She come out of the fridge, tip little water upon it and turn it in a soup.
And turn the stew peas in a soup?
Yes.
So the stew peas turn red pea soup?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me not hungry, baby, love food there. Wagga, me as mag as me is Raga, me no fool on dryers.
You no fool. Man, no, tantalizing. I saw she tan, man. I don't know what she know about you and thing or whatever.
Dumpling and butter.
Yeah.
What food, me say, not dry food, baby love.
Yeah, and you can bet she's a dry as a be a dry as she eat, you know, you can bet.
Dry as she, bun and cheese some killer.
Bun and cheese, get be yes, tantalizing. I be a bun and cheese you eat and them something there and bread and jam and them look something there. And thing you can't talk to alien. Oh.
Crazy every day me cook baby love.
Know that you're tantalizing. Know that. Know that.
Foolishness.
All right. Hold on. I swear to you, I'm going to tell you this now. You see, same woman who did talk of whatever, Antasha, she said, alien darkings, a pure bull and butter you eat.
Oh,
it's right there in the chat. You see it? Ready for context set, man.
No, girl, me not eat dry goods. Surreal raga. Me
Yeah.
can't manage dry goods. Dry goods in Aisha. Enough time people come in there and say, you never eat that. That not taste good. Me say I don't have a clue how it tastes. Me only sell it.
All right then, cool. So
Yeah,
you make them know.
Cook food. I could have even little dumpling and butter.
Yeah.
Me not afraid of that. As long as warms up, I go down my stomach.
As long as
Raga, no open your mouth. As long as warms up, I go down my stomach. I could
me,
have little tea.
me not say nothing. Me just you say as long as warm something I go to. Eh? No, me just say hear what you say. No, me just listen. Me just listen when you say, you know, and thing, and you know, you make sure say you answer them and thing. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, that's how the
Pick
thing.
up
Then.
the realest girl on the media, Queen Ash,
Proper.
aka Secretary / Head
Proper.
Girl.
Proper.
Pick up yourself, Queen Ash, and thanks again to Subme.
To who?
Subme.
Oh, Subme. All right, that's our word, man, yeah? Love and blessings, man. You don't know, so Raga love you and rate you, all right?
Big up your people, then, Raga.
Long time. Cool. Cake Tokyo to I go on. I see you, you know. I see you, you know, fam. Big up yourself, you know. Cake Tokyo. Large up everything proper. People, I'm not going to leave it this way, you know, because, yo, I'm hungry, you know, man. I'm hungry right now, but I'll be honest with you, you know, so I don't have no food in my place right now. I have some fruits, though, you know. So I move to some fruit setting. Hello.
Hello. Hi, Raga.
Hello.
How are you?
Born good and still good. Awa.
You sure?
Born good and still good. Awa. Talk your talk. I sound like you come with some arms house right here now.
No, I don't have to talk. Just look at the screen really good.
Look at the what?
Look at the screen good. I don't have to talk.
Look at the screen?
Really good. I don't have to talk. Look at the box.
Well, I mean, which box you asking me for looking at? The request box?
Yes, with my name, my DP.
Oh, your deep. Oh, let me see where I go. Let me see where I go. So, I wish you up to me.
I don't have to talk. You know, things are on the press. You know, things will be coming out in numbers.
No, me not.
Shirts will be ready.
What? Oh, hold on there. Me can't see. Oh, I want a picture there. I want a picture there.
Things on the press, you know. Things in order.
What
Shirts
things
coming
in
out,
shirts coming on?
Slogans, trademarks.
So what you tell me that for? Where you tell me that for?
I didn't tell you anything.
No,
I didn't have to say anything.
Me don't know where you come and tell me that for. Me did ask you if you come tell me about what come out and all them something. Me never want to know nothing about no what come out. Okay. Me don't know nothing. Me don't want to know nothing about what come out and what and which and what on a thief from store and what on a clutch or nothing. Me don't want to know nothing about that.
No,
that's not my business.
No. We have our money.
What? You have what?
We have our money. We're good. We're gonna buy, Nikita a new phone. Ain't nothing. ANC will sponsor that.
Well, I want to say it, it's what happened. Something off here, someone may I look for. Oh my God! Somebody check out. Anyway, say I go buy Nikita a new phone.
Yeah. ANC got it.
You got her like that. So you admit it. She need.
Got it like that.
You admit it. She need a new phone then, right?
Hey, a new phone, internet booster. We got her.
Okay, all right then. And thing, because she have a look at challenges down there in the swamp and thing and whatever and thing like that. So. And I help her out and sitting about. I don't know. How about you do? I cut off again. You there? Christina?
No, I'm here. here. I'm here.
Oh, okay. Me think say you get cut off and thing and whatever. Cause you know
Oh,
the
no,
thing.
no,
with-
I'm good.
So what you said, this Cabana War thing, it's on then, right?
Oh, it's on and popping. I told you about it
Okay.
already.
Okay.
You know, just got
Okay.
couple little things to wrap up. We
Couple
set
look.
though.
Okay. All right. So one of
So
confidence
what's
I
your
will
big
not go
item
win.
like that?
On a confidence I will not go
Oh,
win though.
very. That's not new though, Raga. So why you acting like that?
All right. I see why I go on. Remember, and I like the last time at TamFam Sports Day where I just weeded there. So all of them other people are going there, them are going to see your cabin, them are going to see our cabana, them are going to see Funa cabana, whatever, and then we are going to see what is what, all right? So, up to for no bullying and all them something there. The people, them are going to
We don't have
judge.
to bully anybody.
The people, them have got
don't
judge.
say that.
Okay, the people, them have got judge. That me I tell you, you know that. All right, it is what it is.
They'll see.
What did somebody
when we roll out?
erase something out of my thing and whatever. But anyway, big up yourself, you wash your foot. Yeah? You go to your bed, you wash your foot. Remember, you have to wash your foot here.
No, I'm gonna take a shower after we finish.
What the name of your soap?
Raga.
What the name of your soap?
Why you do this?
What the name of your soap? What the name of your soap? What the name of your soap?
Tell me. You tell me the name of the soap.
I mean, I be at night time. Eh? I mean, I be at night time.
When you don't have soap,
What? What?
I don't want to put you out there like that.
No, people at the TamFam get together, right? At the TamFam get together down in Orlando. We have a little get together and things. So, what happened? I did buy some soap at a supermarket and somebody thief my soap. Somebody thief out my soap, them and thing and whatever. And then, me just kind of announce, I don't have no soap. And, them lend me one soap what them did have.
Raga
it
did
was
not have any soap. Raga just used his washcloth and water that he learned at Vassar College.
People, I do my ask if anybody can lend me them soap. And then them did have one bush soap, one soap where they make themselves out of bush. It's something another oregano or something. Oregano.
No,
them have one kind of them have one it was like an oregano soap with them type of so me just kind of shut me eye and beard with the oregano soap. When me done, me smell like seasoning, but hey, me did beard, I did fit them soap, and me just work with it and things. So that's your talk about.
You smell like cucumbers and green tea, just fresh. The first time, in a long time you ever felt like that.
Nah, I remember the soap being celery oregano or something like so. Celery and oregano,
no, cucumber and green tea.
I'm not gonna argue about that. Well, Lottie said the seasoning took me out. Yeah, when I don't use them soap, I smell like seasoning. And that may I tell you, the only left for fry me down and thing. You see it. It's all
you
good.
You had a glow for the whole weekend. How long?
Whatever, man.
How long did the glow last?
Whatever, man. You're knock him out. Him get a good night's sleep.
Swap up 2 times because he said, wow.
No, he swapped it bad still, Swapped it bad.
Yeah, we know.
He swapped it bad still, man. I lie, I'm done with that swap them. I said, what? No, sir, I ever buy one of them and swap and go on with itself, you see it. Yes, Anyway, big up yourself and thing. I know Del Marine not contribute nothing to the success of the group because poor she. You don't want, if you don't want a chance to win, nobody make Del Marine contribute nothing. Don't make Del Marine and Munchie contribute anything to it. Better wanna try, do it by yourself to win. Del Marine and Munchie, remember, at them walk from New Jersey go all the way to Florida,
We would never let our sisters walk. Come on now.
On the I-95 and whatever, you understand? Them, you know nothing about them thing there, all right? So anyway, big up yourself, me I watching the logo and all these things. Sham, I see what I go on. All right, big up yourself, see?
All right, then. Good night, everyone. ANC.
All right, boo-boo. Bless up yourself, see?
All right.
Yeah, man, cool. People, a birthday party setting, Saturday, September 20th. Ragabash, my birthday party and thing. I'm going to Everybody over here for forward and thing. We're gonna have a nice time and sitting. All right, good night, people and thing. Yeah. I know well I have some work to do, but I'm hungry. I wish people in Queens, I wish I want me know because the door restaurant closed. I wish I can order from right now. Anybody in Queens over here, I wish I can order from now. What does AAC really stand for? It named Ants Nest Crew. Ants Nest Crew. That them name. Pot bottom you gonna get Raga. Well. Feed for something solid, man. Ruth, do it yourself life. Raga, you look hungry and tired for sure. Ruth, you really want me to tell you which part of you hungry and tired, don't you? You really want me to tell you which part of you hungry and tired, though, with your bright self? SDC means spray them crew. Because them they get for them crew first, you know, the Ants Nest crew. And that's our crew come name SDC, the spray them crew, for spray them. Gregory, Spring Garden what me now? At what time Spring Garden close? No, man, I'm hungry because I really don't eat nothing from morning, you know. I drink a cup of juice and thing, you know, so I go, yeah, it's really a salad me for eat, you know, because I'm not supposed to eat nothing heavy in the night, yeah, but 11 o'clock them close. Someone can't catch them, man. Nah, man, the door restaurant, nah, the door not closed, no. The door probably closed right, you know, man. But me know so when they reach certain hours, you can't even Uber Eats to them, you know. But me I go look something to eat right, you know, all right? People, something happening in my well, someone not gonna know this. In my Serato, like, I don't know, like, my song them get erased. This is really weird. Like, oh, you know, so I think I know I want. No, so I have to put them back in. I think it just, that's annoying. All right, I'm going to put them back in. It sounds like erase out my song, them and thing, but I know I want, man. All right, people. Sub live tomorrow, see? Sub live tomorrow. Good night, good night, good night, good night. Jeans restaurant, where that then? Or the door closed at 11 today. But it now go, I don't think you can Uber Eats from them, you know. Something right, you know. Too late, you know. Them not really take no orders them time there because the time we take for deliver it from them time, you know. Somebody have to go drive, go over there, you know. Now, man, I don't know the flash drive there, but I deal with my thing for the sub live tomorrow. So tomorrow we're good, you know. Sub live tomorrow, people, and thing. I remember now if you know in that show, don't have to subscribe, all right? Everything is everything. Sleep good, people. Everything is everything. Love and blessings, all right? Donovan Carter, big up. Nikki, large up. Everita, yeah. So it's set. Marcia, bless up yourself, you know. See? All right, Miss K. Lady Andrea, hope you behave yourself, you know. J Berg, Cola Champagne, restaurants after the bank on American Springfield. Yeah, man, a Spring Garden that, and then the other one, what name Jamaica, where them always a block up Springfield Boulevard, right? This in front of Stop and Shop. Big up yourself, star boy. Yeah, man, blessings. Night, night. Chelsea, they need a woman to make a dinner. Yeah, some ginger tea for do it in the night, you know, yeah. Cheryl. No, you know, say me go they go buy nothing heavy. Me I see me can make a salad for you, you know. Yeah. Nina, big up yourself, you know. No, man, me not go, no, man. I try discipline myself, you know, that late eating something that is not good, you know. So I've been doing real good with it. It's just I'm really hungry right now. But you know, not eat properly, you know. You still want to eat, you just don't want to eat too much, you know. Order from West Springfield, America. West? No, yeah, you have Lothian, yeah. I don't know West. Springfield, America, West? No one name West, there's Springfield, America. You have Lothian, you have Spring Garden, you have Jamaica, where it named there. Springfield, America, near to Stop and Shop. Yeah, take it easy, man. I'm just boy, that look like, you know, or something. All right, people, night. Tonight, Humorous. Subscribers live tomorrow, yeah? Blessings, cool. Oh, the place there beside T-Mobile. Oh, up there, sir. I've never had from them, you know. Well, I go to the Dunkin' Donuts, that's right there, but yeah. Okay, I know where you talk. I've never bought their food, you know. All right, Killer Miller, he said the food good. All right, now check it out. Yeah, Jamaican flavor there beside Spring Garden. It's a bar and lounge. Okay, all right. I will run it. A Jamaican run it, or the West place there. Jamaican run it. Oh, for real? Oh, I never know that. I'm going to go in there quietly one time and test them food, you know? And see where I go on. Never eat there yet, you know? All right, people. Now, Humorous.